Zee!
And good morning.
Good morning!
Hello, Dev Donut. Thank you for the the joke this morning. And thank you, Z, for subscribing.
Thank
wow,
you for
that was
subscribing.
like, I'm waiting on the button as soon as you.
His face is subscribe.
Oh, that is awesome. Thank you so much. 5-month streak. Can you believe it?
Oh, wow. That's impressive.
That's impressive. Yeah. And good morning.
Awesome, Z.
Nick as well. And has Ryan made himself way in here? I was chatting with Ryan earlier. Maybe he's a bit busy.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Apparently so.
Yeah.
And we're going to be having some fun this morning.
Are we? I hope so. Is Morris and Winky going to have fun too?
Oh, let's have a look.
Morris is kind of snuggled and sleepy.
Yeah, that's good.
It's kind of sleepy.
How are you guys doing this morning?
Yes.
All of you, Nick and Z and
What are you
Dev
up
Donut.
to?
Are you going to have a relaxing Saturday or going to have a productive one?
Or make breakfast, whichever comes first.
You know, got to do the important
Sustenance
things. Yeah.
first.
Yeah. But on our work, where are we at?
Well, yesterday.
Z's answer to the question was yes.
Yes. All of them.
All of the above, yeah. That is good. That's good. Are you working in Houdini or are you doing anything, cool?
Exciting.
Yeah?
Exciting.
Or is it just like Unity work you're doing this Saturday?
Unity work is boring. No,
it's not, because we're going to have a good time with Unity work.
So yeah, yesterday we had some good news. We managed to make a build and it actually functioned.
Yeah.
Would you believe it? We were expecting to just
also,
crash and burn.
Also tried launching our own game and then all the sounds were working, the menus were working.
Yep.
And
didn't work very well for ultra wide, but at least we had a settings menu so we could change resolution.
Yeah, we still need to fix ultra wide.
Yeah.
We had the same issue.
Yeah.
Nick sent us a game build earlier this week and we had the same issue as him.
Yeah. But we had a settings menu.
Yeah, so we could go out of full screen.
Yeah.
We couldn't play our game in full screen.
No, I played it in full screen.
Yeah,
I
but
played it in both.
But the ultra wide would crop.
Yeah, well, it was black on the edges. Yeah, but you know. Nick's about to make some coffee and breakfast.
I was planning on doing work sort of, but in Unity. Oh, work. Wait a second, work?
Work?
Like for your job?
For your job?
I mean, I thought it was Saturday. Should be,
Some people work on Saturday, Krister.
Have you suddenly got 120% employment now?
Why?
Maybe that's what's happening. Yeah, job.
Job. I know that ultra wide feeling.
Yeah.
Feeling a bit stretched out, Missing your buttons.
Missing your buttons.
Well, yeah, because the buttons always get cropped off.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Sorry, Krister. Well, good luck with your job, Z.
Yes.
Job. It's not work. It's job.
Work. Yes. So the plan for today?
Well, we're going to bring up Notion.
Bring up Notion.
I think it was just fixing bugs and stuff, really. Fix some bugs. That's our food. Hello, food. That's the pips.
There's some tasty food in there.
Some tasty food, if you want inspiration.
Salmon burgers and stuff, yeah. Love that.
So we found some bugs yesterday in our
All of the little Maria Free, what are they called again? Ladybirds.
Ladybirds, they're bugs.
They are the ones we discovered yesterday.
I don't know whether there's any other bugs. Is there any other bugs? Is it that one?
Yeah, you have Caterpie.
You have Caterpie. Caterpie is a Pokemon, Krister.
I don't know what it's called in real life.
I'm just gonna go for where is the animal?
That's what happened with kids who grew up with Pokemon. It's like...
No, I don't find them anymore. Are they in here? Are they in the party area?
Always the food screen that opens first with Notion, yeah.
I wonder why.
Always flashing that food.
Food and plants. There's no food, but come on. Where's animals again? Smiley faces and animals is in here. Okay, let's try and see what's the bug. Ooh, there's a giraffe. That's a giraffe. That's not a bug, Claire.
Why are we doing this?
Because I was curious of what bugs we have on the emojis.
Claire was emoji curious.
I was emoji curious. We have a Caterpie.
Yes, that's it.
We have a mosquito, a mig. Yeah. We have a grasshopper. We have an ant. We have a honeybee. We have a ladybird, and we have a scorpion. Oh, yo.
I think we're fine now.
Oh, we also have a microbe.
Yeah, in case you're wondering. What I find really confusing about the emoji keyboard on Windows is the fact that it's set to the language of your, key layout.
Yeah. So this is why I made sure I have English one, because I never remember the majority of the names in Norwegian.
I need to know the emoji names in Norwegian.
And some of them are hard.
Yeah. They don't always make sense.
Because we were trying to figure out what the Maria, I never say it properly, was yesterday, and we were like, we don't know, it's a start an M. It's like, just press M and hope we just cycle through them. I put a little microbe in now, so it was very bug related.
Yeah.
The emoji names are even localized. Indeed, see. Indeed.
And we got fresh tea today, was it?
Fresh tea, yeah. Yeah, I made fresh tea. Yeah, so we played the build yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And we got lots of cleaning up on the text we need to do.
Should we just start from the top and work our way down?
Nah, because it's boring stuff. We want to get onto the good stuff, like sound effects.
All right.
And polish.
More sound effects. Yeah, we did notice that playing the build.
No, we noticed like the big thing that was irritating was not enough sound effects. Like, it just kind of felt empty. It's like, oh, we've got like the soundtrack and we've got a bit of birds in the background, but you don't have anything else. And it was boring.
It was really good, the areas where we had been filling it out.
Yes.
But then you really noticed the areas where it was lacking.
Yeah, like, so for example, in the summer scene, we had it where when you went onto the raft, it was really, really noisy. And when you were everywhere else, it was just like nothing. I was like, okay, about that then.
But like, are we taking it that far that like when you crash your raft, there's like a dunk sound? That's probably taking it too far.
I think that's taking it too far.
Yeah.
The sound is half the experience, at least. Exactly as he...
Really noticed that.
Yeah.
When we started having the sound in there, how important it was, and how much earlier we should probably have started it.
Yeah. But then we wouldn't have done it so much in the stream, and then it would have been like not as exciting. Let's go to the scenes. Let's go to spring. One of the things I wanted to check is, we do have the ambience birds?
Yes.
Actually. For some reason, in summertime, it sounded better than in Chigi.
Yeah. Well, we got the speaker on.
Yeah, but it won't play it on. Will it play?
Why not?
Will it play? We don't know.
I think it will play.
I think it'll play, unless I put mute audio.
Let's play on Awake. Let's turn that volume up. I don't hear anything.
What's happened to our skybox up there?
Oh, I hear birds.
I was wondering what happened to our skybox.
Yeah, what has happened to...
It's our ambience thing I think we tweaked.
Oh, but what does that do in springtime?
That's what I was thinking. I don't know.
Everything was dark and weird.
Well, either our skybox is... it's not...
I turned it off on the layers there. Oh.
That looks like the... I bet if I go into wintertime.
Oh, have we changed it accidentally for everything?
No, it's not. It's different here.
Maybe autumn time?
He's changed everything.
In Luigi's mansion, or are you talking about Luigi's mansion?
Luigi's, I think.
There are buttons you can press where Luigi will just say something like Mario. Yeah, you can add something like that so people can fill up the quiet parts themselves. Yeah, I really like that when the player can be the actor, when you have like freedom to, experiment a bit.
Yeah, so we made a change here. I can't remember what we made a change.
We haven't changed this code. We only turned a part of it public. That's what we did.
No, but I thought we changed a part of it. No, it was in the outro. Yes. We did it yesterday.
Yes.
We did it yesterday. Where we ended up putting the... We definitely was in the ambiance control.
Mm-hmm. We wrote the word public on line 43.
Oh, okay.
That's all we did.
Yes. But we never set any default time here.
Yeah, but this shouldn't be running in every scene, is it?
No, well, I don't know.
I don't think it even exists there.
Well, apparently... Yeah, but it's affected the skybox.
Well, that much we can see, yeah.
Yeah, that's
so
what I mean.
So we probably need to include it then, and have it have a default value for every scene then.
Maybe, but where did we put it in wintertime? You need a wee button with 100 different variations that you can spam. That's what I meant. I know I spammed the hell out of that button.
And good morning, dear neighbors. Techbox North, hello. How you doing this morning? Nice to see you here. Thank you for joining us.
Yes, we're trying to figure out stuff.
We do need a wee button.
We do need a wee button.
Well, at least
it's gonna be like a hidden button, and you have to find it. Right, let's just type in here. Ambiance. Oh shoot, it's not here. I don't think it's anchored onto anything. I think
it is.
Well, ambiance control isn't
You need to write the full word because it's an object. I think it's one word. There you go.
There you go. Lighting and effects. There you go.
You can copy that.
Copy component here.
Yes.
And go into Spring, and it's on lighting and effects. Yeah, it's not on here. Okay. Lighting and effects is paste component. Paste. And we'll set the time of day to... Yeah, because now...
If you just move the slider, I think it's going to update.
Oh, I'm Spring.
One thing, we modified the script, so it needs to have the is running hooked, but that's obviously going to change the time of day constantly.
Yeah, okay, but I think that worked. Let's see. I don't know.
Yeah, seems like we're undoing work from yesterday, which was... Oh, this looks strange as well.
Yeah, because we're on the ultra-wide, that's why.
No, it's way brighter.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, okay, we have changed the lighting now, permanently.
Well, then we just changed it a bit more to be in, instead of 12, just try it to like 6 or something.
6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock in the morning. No, we want to put it at 8 o'clock in the morning. Or maybe 9 o'clock in the morning. There you go. What do you think about that?
I think we have accidentally messed up our lighting. But it's okay. We can...
Yeah, okay. Well, I'll just put it to 12, I think, is best.
Yeah, and then we can tweak from there?
Yeah, I think so. It'll automatically set it to 12. It's automatically setting it to 12. That's why.
Okay.
That's why.
If we look at the script, maybe it'll tell us why?
Yeah, because it sets it to 12 automatically.
Oh, start, set time 12.
Yep. And good morning, Minopi. Hello.
Hey, nice to see you. Hope you're doing well this morning.
But otherwise, if we don't want to have this as public, then...
No, that is not the problem. What we can do...
But why would it have changed yesterday then?
Is, do you not like me taking the keyboard?
Yeah, you never ask for it. He just steals the keyboard.
Okay. So my suggestion was that we should run the update lighting at just copy line 38. We should run that one time at start.
Okay, like this.
That's not start.
That's not start. Okay, I thought you said where is start again. There it is. There you go.
But then I also think we should not be setting the time of day at line 24. It's just delete line 24.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
No, not that. Line above.
Oh, okay. You don't want to have that. Okay. But then, okay.
Then it will take, whatever we start the actual time on, and it will set it.
Yeah, but this is going to mess up the cutscene script.
I don't think so. It will just need to have, be set to 12 o'clock there by default, and it will be the same. But also one thing we could do...
No, but it's not set to default to 12 on winter time. Okay. We don't want to set it to 12, remember?
Yeah, that's why you can put your own value. It will take whatever...
Yeah, but what I was trying to say to you was the fact that we want to make sure that it doesn't constantly loop.
Yeah.
When it comes to the final cutscene, and we want to make it darker because that's more accurate for winter time.
Mm.
But we don't want
so now we made the possibility to customize it yourself.
Yeah, but what I mean is that we will end up having a longer cutscene thing now.
I don't think so.
We will.
Okay.
Because we had it at 12, because that was like the midpoint that we wanted, otherwise it will take an extra 2 seconds before it finishes the cutscene.
This runs at start. Right? So
yeah, but I'm talking about the final cutscene.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm.
So if we go into wintertime and we set it to 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that will make the final cutscene stay 2 seconds longer because it has a value that it stops at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. But this doesn't affect that.
Yes, it does.
Okay, we disagree. And thank you, Bisco, for finally able to catch the stream again. We are having an intense discussion about...
We're having an intense discussion which Chris doesn't agree with.
No, sorry.
As it's hard-coded into here. Somewhere.
Are you fighting about tabs versus spaces? Almost.
Almost, it feels like that.
We are fighting about...
The final cutscene will take longer. That's what we're fighting about.
Setting a variable as A or as B. As a serialized field or in the code.
No. It's like... We were working on it yesterday. Yeah, the lighting's a bit messed up. That's fine. That's fine. So now we just gotta add that component to everything else.
Yeah.
Copy.
You know, we had to like click manually to update it all the time. We can make that happen automatically with like 3 lines of code.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine.
Don't want to fix it?
Nah, it's fine. It kind of functions already, so.
Kind of functions already.
So.
Now, this is summertime?
Yeah.
Okay, that can be nice and bright.
Autumn time.
Yeah. Did you check out atmospheric fog yet? No.
No, we haven't.
Yesterday I was like sitting there thinking about it. I was like, oh, I really want to like try to put that in now. I was like, yeah. I'm also nervous about putting it in because you don't know if it's like going to throw lots of errors or be unavailable with lots of other things. But I think it's going to work out fine. I just need to do it.
Do we feel like this is...
I'm in the US and I got here from a raid a few months ago. Yes!
Nice.
I remember seeing you around Bisco. So I'm really happy to have you back here.
Oh, this looks a lot more like, ew. Dark and ominous, apart from Mr. Pips' shader is not quite updated, but...
We can work on the shader soon enough.
I think this looks a bit more ominous.
Yes.
Yeah. Because we were like yesterday, like, oh yeah, it will look like autumn time, looks very dark and dingy. No, it does. And I like the fact that it's like got a little bit of like a glow. The like orangey glow.
I also like the little fog pieces we've been putting around.
Yep. Looks scary. Okay, I'll save that one. And then in wintertime, let's see if we've affected the thingamajiggy. We don't want it at 12. Maybe we should... should we have it evening or should we have it like... Ooh. I can't decide.
I think evening.
Want evening?
Yeah.
Want evening or daytime, guys? Like...
It's supposed to be late at night.
Yeah, okay, so it's going to be late at night. It's
Not that dark, though.
Not that dark? This dark? That looks like orangey dark.
Well, you probably should move to the winter area to get a better impression.
What? No!
Looking at some autumn trees doesn't quite give the right
Autumn
feel.
trees gives the right impression. Oh my gosh, this looks as spooky as pingy. No!
So,
this is haunting me. I can't do this.
Claire was scarred for life when she was a little kitty wink. That she watched Pingu with the scariest episode ever.
Yeah, when they've got the ice blocks and they're all shaped and they're really scary.
I remember reading up about that episode of Pingu. Apparently it was pulled because it was too scary.
Yeah, it was too scary. It was too... I mean, watching it as like a 3-year-old kid, I mean, that's affected me for life now. I can't watch... Like, me and my brother tried to watch the episode. Like, one time, like, when we were older, and I know I can't do it. We cannot do it. It's impossible. Have you created all the 3D arts by yourself?
No.
Not the environmental assets, mostly. But we have created all the characters and little bits and bobs around. I mean... And rafts.
For example, here in the nature, all those ice cubes is just a square, which we made. But then it's the same square. There's only one which has been duplicated everywhere.
Texture details seem to go missing with full time, or is that just me?
Yes, that is correct. I think it's because of the lighting. Or Mr. Pips goes flat because his shader is broken. Do you thinking about the environment or the character?
Because the character doesn't have any.
Yeah, the character is broken, I know. He's a bit broken.
This looks... Yeah, and you can see like the other
That's
stuff.
an interesting look.
Hello? You're supposed to go onto the raft camera, not the fade camera.
That's the cutscene. No, the
cutscene camera.
Credits camera.
And what's happening there? Oh no, it's just the thing.
Okay.
Right, well, we'll just teleport then, if that's what you want.
Then we have some bugs to fix there. Shall I be noting this down?
Yeah, you should actually, Krista.
Yeah.
It looks ominous. It's like with the hovering.
Yeah, our cottage still hovers.
Cottage.
Man, there's so many things to fix in a game.
I think the cottage hovering has been there for far too long.
Yeah.
No one's noticed it. Good morning, Maurice.
Oh, hello. That's not good. This tablet turns off.
It shouldn't.
We should turn off it turning off. Let's see.
Yeah, it's a little bit darker now. There you go, at least we got this working. The credits rolls. Now let's fix why the raft camera... What is wrong with the raft camera now? The raft camera is there.
I think it's you look at that's priority 5. Put it to priority 7. I think it's gonna work fine.
Okay, let's try that.
Because I think I put the old things at 5.
Environment. I know pips needs to be fixed.
Okay. The environment textures. Yeah. We might need to look at those a little bit.
Let's see if this worked then.
I mean, in general, it's quite flat. Oh, that
There
worked.
you go, that worked.
Yep.
Yeah, we fixed that.
That was a simple fix.
That was a quick fix. I just wonder what I feel like maybe it's a little bit too dark. It's like, it's too scary for me. 18.
You need to have running.
I know. What is that weird light there? Oh yeah, that's the actual sun, okay.
Well, it's a big change right there.
17.5? Nah, put it to 18. 18's good, we like 18. 18's good, we're gonna go for 18. Maybe it's the lighting, remove color variation you normally perceive or something, not sure.
Yeah, I think
this
so.
This looks epic.
Because we haven't messed around with lighting a lot like we're doing now, and we probably have to go them back and readjust the colors of different assets. And for example, here I can see the water shader has not been made in anything but daylight.
Yep.
So it doesn't treat being in nighttime
it
so well.
like certain, like, this is really metallic-y, but then again, that's supposed to be ice blocks. Well-ish.
Yeah, but it doesn't quite look like ice blocks.
No, it doesn't. I think I'm just going to go into this one, actually, and just, like, fix this one.
I think this is dangerous.
Why? Oh, shader graph. Okay.
No, you can change the color of it as well, I think. Oh no, not on that one.
Because these ones, metallic alpha, metallic matte.
Yeah, you can change the smoothness and stuff like that. But I think... Yeah, okay, so that's not the ones which are on those. I think that might be on the icicles.
Might be on the icicles, yeah. This one? No, these are the icicles.
But now you didn't put it back to the original value.
I did.
It was at... Slightly... There you go.
There you go.
And actually, that smaller change does make a difference for those icicles.
I don't know if
because I was messing about with them.
Not. And I need to see. Ice 3. Chris is like, no, it's for the ice columns, actually.
Okay, some of them.
It's for these ice columns. There's just these. I have this bug where it doesn't select them. It's really irritating.
It's because it's the child objects in them. You're only looking at the parent.
What? Okay,
I think.
There you go. Always lagging behind, Nick.
Oh, wow. Sorry. I haven't been reading chat.
It says, the dark, snowy pan down looked epic. I love this look.
Winter looks great. Yeah, it might give a nice feel for it to be this time of day. Think I bought a slow iPad Pro. Needs short bus. Always behind on stream. Needs a short bus. Okay. Yeah, that's a bit weird though. Haven't had any of those issues myself on mobile devices with Twitch.
With Twitch? Okay. There you go. I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to switch away from the ultra wide because it's bothering me. The 16:9. There you go. Oh, hello, Pip. You're full frame. Hello. Love you too, Pip.
I fixed the stream deck now.
So, because I'm satisfied with winter. I'm wondering, like, with autumn time. Why do I feel like autumn time's a bit different? I don't know now. Like the skybox looks a bit different again.
The lighting has changed. And the skybox has changed. Remember we tuned it to be quite red?
Yeah, that's true.
And all that tuning is gone.
Well, then maybe what we should be doing with that, though, is putting that skybox in. Because now we have that control.
Yeah, I think we do.
Extended, that's winter. Is it that one we have?
Try.
Let me just look for skybox first. Skyboxu? I think it's that one.
But do you need to click running, I think? Or I don't know how it updates it. Like, how does that code work? I don't think it's changing it.
I don't know, I'm just gonna have a look. Hey, that looks different. No, it doesn't. No, I think it just picks up the material we put in it.
Let's see.
And then it changes the...
It updates the skybox. But what does it actually do with the skybox input? So this is, can you double click on the 46 there? Where else is that mentioned?
Private material.
Scroll down. It doesn't update it anywhere. Because that's...
I think we had it in Spoonie's tutorial and we decided to drop it.
because we figured out we can access it globally by render settings.skybox instead.
Yeah, that was true.
So I think we can delete line 46 and 18.
Okay.
Because they don't actually serve any purpose.
At all, but then what if we wanted to add in the right thingy-majiggy?
It doesn't do anything. Well, we can change the skybox in the level itself.
Okay.
So if you go into window lighting, we can add in probably the different skybox.
Window lighting.
On the top. Is that where you do it? I always get confused. Oh, is it rendering?
Rendering, I think.
Light Explorer? Yeah, there's skybox stuff.
But it says extended 2 there, okay. But the thing is that we want to make sure this one is for winter. Oh, I don't find the original one. Is it that one?
It's the top one.
It's not the top one.
Yeah.
That's really light.
Yeah, that's original.
Yeah, but we had a special one for...
Yeah, I guess it's extended too. But we can tweak it a bit more though, maybe. Yeah, we're good at naming our stuff. It's just...
we had another one. I think it's gone. We had another one. That one.
That seems more closer to the color.
This one. It was more like this.
And Nick says we should make build screenshots that will allow us to do direct comparison when you change stuff like this. Yeah. Or we also should be recording our sessions, which we do.
Yes, we do.
But not every session. We didn't do it yesterday. And then we can check the recordings. Yeah, especially when you're working with environment. And it would have been a good idea to have like rendered out like a specific part of a static camera every time.
Yep.
It's been very cool to see how that changes.
I think we changed the ambient color on it and everything. That's why it's different. I think it was probably this one, but then we changed the ambient color.
I think the script updates that. Probably what it does. Because it takes the ambient presets there, which we can then change the gradient it uses. So that's why it just looks different, I guess.
Probably. I was wondering, like, maybe we should just do this, like, change it to a bit more to be a bit darker instead, like that. Instead. But
I think also what can really make a big difference here is if we do what Steve was talking about and but maybe not, you know.
Hello.
Okay.
What was he talking about?
And try out the fog gradient thing we bought on the asset store.
That's true.
But I don't want to do that.
But I don't think that's really solving this type of problem right now. So.
No.
Chris is just like, I want to be sidetracked. So.
C really likes how the fog is looking at night there. Yeah.
Thank you. I'm getting a bit of inspiration from yesterday because it started bucketing down. It was really, really dark.
Oh, it was so much rain last night.
This looks scary. Is it raining?
I was going out with the dogs and we were soaked by the 10 seconds mark.
No wonder the dogs are just like, I don't want to be.
Very atmospheric in real life and in Mr. Pip's land.
Yes. I'm just going to check that this, okay, this looks fine, I think. I'm just checking that removing the skybox didn't cause any, like, no, okay, that's fine. It's very dark. We're going to have very bright, like, spring and summer, and then we're going to have very dark winter and autumn. Oh my gosh, that's bright.
That seems, yeah.
So we just have to adjust the lighting a bit more in here then. So I think we made lots of changes to it. There you go.
Yeah, because everything looks a bit like overexposed and washed out here.
But I think it's because we had it on the actual light in here itself.
Yeah, intensity is on 3.
Where is it? Yeah.
Maybe said 2.5.
I think actually 2 is actually quite nice.
Okay.
Let's try 2.
Because I think the reason we set it up to 3 was because I was reading online the fact that it was nice to increase the intensity a bit too high and then bring the exposure back down in post-processing.
I noticed it's like Jammy had really good lighting, but not the other one. I think I'm going to put it to 2.
Yeah, because now the pips aren't adjusted to be in this lighting.
Okay. Do you have to adjust every single one of them then?
Well, the materials.
With the tune shader?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. But is that going to be for each different scene?
But we can update and fix that.
Okay.
Because they react to lighting in a different way. I tried to replicate Unity's lighting as close as I could, but it was impossible.
2.5.
I agree. Overexposed. Yes.
Now it's no longer overexposed.
Question is, was it overexposed a minute ago or the one which you're experiencing right now?
I think this one's better because it looks brighter without being too bright.
Yeah.
Then when we go to summertime.
Still looks a bit washed out, but it's no biggie.
Yeah, but I think if I put it to... Or maybe I was looking at Mr. Pips and I shouldn't be looking at Mr. Pips. I should be looking more at the environment.
Yeah.
I'll go back and change that.
Right, analyze the correct thing. I think it was good at 2, in my opinion.
I thought it was a bit too flat, but maybe that was my opinion.
Okay.
I'm just... Don't look at Mr. Pips. Don't look at him. Yeah, actually, that's not too overexposed. That's nice. I think he's a bit dulled up, but he's got a toon shader. Shoot. Don't look at him.
Oh, he doesn't have a toon. He's just a regular shader.
Does he? I thought he had toon. No, he has toon.
No, because you could see the angles of his body.
Okay.
Didn't you?
I'm pretty sure he has toon.
Why could you see the contours of his polygon shapes then?
I'm gonna check if he has it. I'm pretty sure he had it. Didn't he have it? Or did you put it once upon a time?
We put it in, experimented, and we didn't like it and turned it back off. That's what I remember of it. 1 up.
Nope. Instance mapped. Toon shader.
Okay, I'll take it back. Okay.
Krister's just not on the ball today.
Well, you know. Okay. Got some work to do.
Here, there I'll put it to 2.12. Not 2 dash. There you go. I'll do that.
Okay.
Let's try. What is everybody up to today, other than us messing around with some random stuff? I'm on the ball today, literally sitting on a gym ball. Nice one, Z.
Very nice. That's a good man. Oh, I don't like what the ground looks like.
No, I don't.
What has happened? Can we go back to a previous recording and see what we're comparing against?
Well, we can just get the build up.
That as well. Except we won't. Oh, yeah, you can play it in windowed mode.
Yeah, I made that already.
Downloads.
Downloads. There you go. Builds number 2.
Let's have a little look at our own game.
Okay, yeah. There you go.
You're a bit off screen though, so you should have gone in settings and just go down in resolution a little bit.
Okay. It doesn't like me doing the settings in this one.
Alright, that bugs out. Okay, we have some work to do.
Main menu now. Settings, there you go, thank you.
Our settings almost work.
That's the lowest. There you go, that is the lowest.
Oh yeah, but then can you resize the window? No. Okay.
Nope.
That's way larger window size than the resolution.
Well, that's already dictated by Unity. That's not dictated by me.
Okay. Alright. The skybox here is also strange.
I
don't remember that when we played that yesterday.
Neither do I.
Oh, the camera is laggy now.
Yeah, okay. Well, we'll get onto the build soon.
Yeah. I don't know how many FPS this game runs at.
There's like no volume either.
Oh, you know what? It's playing from this headset.
That's why.
That's why we have problems here in the sounds.
Should probably disable that.
Okay, but we have an issue.
Yeah. All I'll do is I'm gonna take a screenshot. Is it these ones?
Yes. No? Yes.
Let's just take a screenshot and close this before it gets too bad. There you go. There you go.
And we're back.
We're back.
Okay, we can move again.
That's doing. It might be that it's getting the skybox data from what we're working with right now.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, that would be very strange though if the build data is bleeding in. But it wasn't like that when we were playing yesterday. We would have seen this right away.
Which is why I'm thinking that maybe it's just been done now. Because remember we found out our save file was being saved into it as well?
Yeah, but that's at least a save file.
Yeah, but maybe that's also something, like maybe it's sharing that data somewhere? I'm thinking it might be, because there was a fast build as well.
Maybe.
Anyway, let's have a look.
I'm going to keep the options open here because I think I can't understand it. C says blueberry or blueberry. It's blueberry.
You
just
said the same thing, Chris.
The first one.
Crystal's been very helpful today. Blurberry.
Blurberry.
Okay, so this is what... Well, the thing is that this is not an accurate thing anymore anyway. But anyway, at least the light-in was the same.
I was thinking to look back to an old recording.
Oh, well, I don't know. I look for an old recording.
I know where to look.
Yeah, we won't be able to find that.
Okay.
That's going to take ages.
Okay.
I ain't doing that.
Okay, we're not doing
Give him a French moustache and a croissant, and good to go.
Oh, you can see the direction of the sun in that screenshot.
Yeah, that's true. But here, like, you can see it's a bit like...
Yeah, so that's the main difference. Like, the hill on the left is very bright.
Yeah.
But that's just the day of... it shouldn't go below 2. The day of... Time of day.
Yeah, okay.
Which you could be affecting and...
Well, that's true, but I kind of want it to be bright, unless we'd put it to, like, 14. Let me just put the is running. 15, 16, no, we don't want... Oh, shit, 116. Whoa, man.
What about, like, 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock in the morning, guys. Nah, it's gonna be like 11. 10 maybe? Nah, 11.
I like 10, and if you just increase the brightness of the sun then.
So I go here.
Because I'm looking at where the shadows are going. Because that's what's changing with this.
3.
Okay, maybe leave it at 3 and then move it out like 11:30.
11:30. Okay, we're gonna go for 11:30. We're gonna go for a particular number. That was way too bright.
Wow, that had a big difference.
Yeah, but that's because I'm on 3 now.
Yeah, but when you turn it back to 11, it didn't... What?
What do you mean?
Okay, that was just so strange that it was... Oh, is it changing it? I don't know what it's doing.
What is it you're not sure about? Chris doesn't understand things today. He's in an ununderstandable mood today.
Wow. Okay, but I think it looks good. Or it looks better. Or...
I think, like, this is too dark. I mean, this is also very, like, misrepresented. It used to be like this.
See that one.
Sorry. But this, obviously, the lighting is incorrect here. Oh, hello. Mr. Pip's going to center screen. Okay, I'm going there now. There you go.
Yeah.
French moustache and a bear sitting on a sunbed, eating croissants.
Hi, my name is Nick and I support this message.
I'm not entirely able to follow your struggles today. What exactly is your problem?
Yeah, I don't know neither.
This is Chris's problem. He's not happy with the lighting.
But I don't understand why it broke when we almost had it. But it's okay.
What we're confused about is that we just played our build from yesterday. And for some reason, yesterday, the skybox worked. And now it doesn't work. And we don't know why. And I think it's sharing the data. And Chris is like, doesn't agree with me. And Chris is in an
If you make a Unity build...
Well, I would assume so, but then again, our save data was in there, so I'm not sure.
But that's because I saved to like a JSON format, which just ended up in the data folder.
Maybe. I just think Chris doesn't have experience with Unity, so we're just gonna leave it be. We're just gonna leave it to its Unity's 1001 mysteries.
Yes.
Just start that up.
Let's leave it at that.
Yeah. But I think this is better now. Let's have a look at it. I'm with Chris on this one. The build shouldn't affect whatever's running in an editor. Damn it! You should have been agreeing with me.
See?
Oh shoot, that's it. I just left it on.
And that's really strange. Why has the skybox suddenly changed in the build? But
or maybe it's just one of Unity's weird stuff.
What if we try to run the first build? Because we made 2 builds in succession, and we didn't really check the second build.
I don't think I wanted to run it because Nick's already having problems with audio.
Is the audio cutting out?
Well, Z says it's just Nick, but who knows?
Yeah.
This is what it used to look like. Krister, this is what it used to look like.
Well, quite close to it, yeah.
No, this is what it looked like.
Okay. It looked exactly like that.
I mean, this is what it looked like. I remember it.
Good.
Chris is just like...
At least it's very close to it.
Chris is in a disagreeable mood today, guys. it's taking its toll on me.
Check this out. Nick's having breakfast. Look at those bread slices
nom.
of legendary size.
Is it homemade bread?
I doubt it. One day, maybe it'll be homemade bread.
Maybe. We'll come and visit you, and you'll get homemade bread from Krista, because that's literally what we did on our travel down to Spain. We just delivered homemade bread to all my family. It's like, thank you for the food.
Well, hello. How are you all today? Bizmaster Studio, welcome back. How are you doing this morning or evening for you, I guess?
By the way, Krister.
Yes.
Z's now hungry. Congratulations.
Blame Nick.
No. They couldn't send it to you.
It just made its way onto the stream.
Yeah. No, this is the right. I remember it like this. So this is good. This is good. Me like us. So yeah, but I don't want to.
We're getting sidetracked.
What were we supposed to do again? We were supposed to do. Have you turned off your headset?
Yeah, it's on the speaker now.
It's on the speaker now. Okay, because it's not very loud. Oh, that's because it's set to.
The volume was turned down.
Because it was set to 100 a second ago, and I'm like, it's not working.
Okay, I'm heading over to Notion here.
Yeah, okay. We got a microbe.
We got a microbe, yeah?
A microbe.
Do you have a microbe?
R.I.P.
Didn't we fix the exit button?
Well, we have to test it. That's why it says at the top, test.
Okay.
Oh, and can you note down that other bug about the pause menu, the settings menu overlapping somewhere along the lines? Oh, it was homemade, the bread, Krister.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Pretty nice.
Then I bet it tastes a little bit extra.
Not by me, my in-laws made them. Well, they make bigger bread than Krister.
Oh, that
is
awesome.
Squished.
That they bake bread and give it to you.
Yeah.
I usually do that with my family members, but they need to be lucky enough to, catch one of my breads as they fly through the sky now.
Since when did we start throwing bread? I feel like the dog cam is rather sad dog cam today. Nobody has redeemed.
Because there's so little doggo snuggles to have there. See how tiny it is.
Winky boo.
Heidi?
Say hi. Winky, say hi. It's not working. Winky. No one's redeemed doggy snuggles.
I'm gonna steal it.
No, don't steal it. You called it an it.
Steal Winky.
See. There, now you won't have the bug curse anymore. There you go.
Good morning.
And I'm gonna stroke the little muffin.
She's so sleepy.
Maurice? Hey, get in.
Okay, what? We're getting a second dog now.
No, I was getting the second dog into the dog cam.
All right.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, muffin. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's one sneaky little can.
See, that's what you get for starting game day before doggo snuggles. Yeah, everything goes tits up.
Yeah. Oh, muffins.
Do you want this little snuggler over there?
Yeah, she needs snuggles. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, little Winky Pig. Are you gonna slot in today? Oh, meow. Oh. You guys are the cutest. Oh.
So small. Yes, very small. Hello, Peak. Nice to have you back here. Thank you for dropping by.
Aren't you just a cute little boy?
Might be getting doggo in June if lucky. That is good news, see. I'm so glad to hear it. Is everything going as planned with your doggo plans?
Oh, Simone thingamajiggy had a really cool doggo thingy, remember?
Yes. Simone Yachts, a YouTuber, which a lot of people know, got a doggo. We approve. That's some good doggo stuff on that.
I love this is doggo butt snuggle. This is a proper dog butt snuggle.
She looks so sleepy. Yeah, she's so sleepy. That's why.
Oh, you guys.
Just need to find a proper litter. Yeah, that can be quite challenging. But then, how can you time it up with June if you haven't found a litter yet? Is that what you
just get a mini chi from Holden. They're expensive though.
Yes.
Wait, Winky, you want to turn around? 180? You're a good little girl, huh? Yeah, you need a little bit of help today, huh? Yeah, I'm sleepy.
Hey, Winky.
Hello. I'm in my room. No. Oh, you guys are the cutest snugglers ever. You know that? Definitely, bet me.
Are we getting back to game dev?
No, we're getting back to doggo cuddles.
I got respect on not touching the keyboard.
I know, I'm pretty impressed. Winky's just like,
respect for the keyboard.
Where's my snuggles already? Yeah. It's very important, see, that when you have a dog, you have to have a doggo voice. The demand is insane during Corona.
Alright.
Oh shit, yeah, I hadn't thought about that.
Because I found one yesterday, but I don't know if the pups are reserved yet. Alright, right?
Yeah.
I can just record you. Yeah. So that's how you talk to your dogs. Oh, what is going on there?
Oh, he's leaving and he's like, no.
We're out.
You stinky here. I know. Morris enjoyed his snuggles. We need to cut his fur soon. Yeah, so we're doing other stuff. Settings and pause menu overlay in a buggy day.
Buggy way, sorry.
In a buggy day. It was a buggy day. Yeah.
I'll include your ladybird.
Winky is making an S now. Very atrociously. Yeah, there you go. Oh no, it's not satisfactory. Sorry, I just have to watch. I love when she does this because she's so noobish. Nope.
Almost had it.
No.
Almost had it.
This is called making her little nest. This is making her bed. So
just record you running around with a little voice box. Yeah.
Oh, shoot, wrong one. There you go. Oh, not wrong one. It's laptop we were on. Sorry.
Yeah, but I think we should just work on some sound effects.
Yes, we should.
We can get around to these bugs another time.
Those little microbes.
Yes. Which means that we're down here. Right?
Yes.
The outer cutscene needs some sound effects for when they fly through the sky.
That's true. The boar also needs a sound effect.
And a leaf rustle when he comes out.
Yes. Nah, that wasn't it. Try again, Winky. She's not very good at this stuff. No. Oh my god, this looks so ominous now. It's like actually scary. Like I don't want to be here anymore. I don't want to be in autumn. Is autumn like this, guys? Can we get
pretty sure it is.
Oh man.
That's how I experience autumn.
Okay, so here's the little. I'm almost there. Boar is somewhere here. Hello, boar.
It's inside the mountain.
Oh, yeah, he's inside the mountain, isn't he? I forgot that.
Go through the wall and you'll find him.
No.
Yeah,
there you go.
There he is.
There you go. His butt. Hello. Found him. Okay. So yeah, we had it. That's when you go into the trigger.
Logic in our game is really strong. We just keep the boar inside the hill.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because that's where boars come from, right?
I feel like the
ambient camera is a bit laggy today. I had noticed.
Right.
Right.
I feel like the ambient could be a bit brighter. It's a bit dim.
It's a bit dumb. Okay.
Sounds like a stupid lighting.
Well, stupid. It's dim lighting. Let's just go here then. Is it here?
Well, what do you want to? You want to increase the global sun probably?
Yeah, probably.
Yes. So it's intensity 1. It should probably be at 2.
Sorry.
Prosit.
Thank you. Did I press enter?
Gesundheit. That has no effect.
It does have effect. See that tree there?
Okay, turn it up to 10.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's nice.
Do you want a 10? Or do you want it like 5?
No, I think actually we can't turn it that high because it's going to mess up with all the other shaders, which will be affected in a different way by it.
3 was good.
Okay. But I think we should change time of day ever so slightly.
Okay.
We can move from to 6 o'clock maybe.
6 o'clock? That looks too bright.
That looks fine to me.
0.3.
Okay, we go with 0.3 then. Okay.
Let's disable the is running. There you go.
Yes. The 0.3 did the trick. Exactly.
Yes, exactly.
See, all the difference. You notice a 0.3 right here.
Oh no, it's a point. Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Christopher, stop bullying me. I don't like this rain clouds. It's so ominous. Right, okay, we were getting to the boar. I got the boar scare script open, so we want to put some sound effects in.
Alright, we should just probably add, what do you call it?
Sorry. We have to play animation of particles here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we should probably put some audio.
Yeah.
Did you flick your forehead? No, I didn't. I just did it like I was about to, but I didn't do it.
It was
I was
close,
nice today.
Close call.
Bless you. 3 minutes behind now, Nick. I love how Caesar's like, when is Nick gonna say bless you? Oh yeah, 3 minutes later. Oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, so we probably need to add audio thingamajiggy first of all, right?
Mm-hmm.
Should we just add it to the main thingy here? Because it's gonna run all at once, surely.
Yeah, I think you just add it there.
Yeah, I think so.
Or where is the animator? Because we can play sounds from that one as well, can't we?
Here.
I know, we can probably just put it on the
Because the thing is, we're going to have it on the leaves as well. Like the leaf rustles.
Yeah, but what sets that one to trigger?
There. Leaves play.
Yeah, okay.
So it gets the particle system.
Which I just think we can just add the different sounds in as well and ask them to play as well.
So should we just add it onto here then?
Yeah.
Audio source and... no, do you need anything else?
Yeah, step 1, make it a 3D sound.
Yes. After the last time. Where on earth is
One
it?
down.
There you go. Got it. Spatial blend.
Yeah. Nice trees. Hello, B Cubinary.
Hello.
Nice to see you here.
I
recognize that name. Yeah, you've been around before, haven't you?
It's a bee. His bee, isn't it a little like bee blue something?
I think that's somebody else. But pretty soon I'll be watching the Christmas stream Midsummer with all this like. Yeah. B Cubinary has been here a couple of times. Nice to have you here back again. Thank you. And we're trying to currently, for those joining us a bit more recently, we're trying to put some sound effects in. After we've been fighting with lighting this morning, we don't know quite why we've been fighting with lighting, because it wasn't a task.
It wasn't a problem yesterday. It just became a problem.
So we started solving it.
So we're gonna blame Unity.
Yeah.
So what did we decide again on the leaf rustle? Because didn't we have a leaf rustle somewhere? Yeah, we did. Okay, I'm just gonna save this scene and I'll be back, guys.
Burb.
Because in the intro cutscene, we do the rustle, remember?
Oh, okay, I've forgotten this.
That's intro whoosh. It was intro whoosh.
That's the sounds you make with your mouth. Play it and you will hear it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. As I said.
Okay, we got intro whoosh. Let's have a look. Let's just search audio, actually. That's a good idea. No, I can't do that.
Audio source.
I just need to... Why does it need to be so...
In one word. It's a component. A search.
Oh.
Right?
We don't want blue shady. Intro cutscene is intro whoosh. But SFX. That's the wheeze. The ambience. The river.
Z has a request there. Could you put up some Christmas decoration and wear Santa hats next stream just to mess with Nick?
We still have the ones from last time, and then we got this from the 17th of May.
I'm ready to celebrate. I'm getting a bit festive, so this is my 17th of May crown. So
Merry Christmas! Okay, it's not there. Where is it then? You're gonna be wearing that the entire stream now.
Yep. See, I even got a flag with me. What? It's a nice flag.
It's an overexposed flag right now.
Whoa.
I am not finding it. Boar? Did we put it in the script? No, I should have put it in here, right?
There we go. Fixed it.
It's a cute little flag.
That's a great look, Chris. Thank you. Cute little flag. Yeah.
No, I'm just gonna...
It was on our tower cake, or did we conclude it was
Is the
called?
almond cake thingy?
Almond cake, yeah.
I don't know, almondy cake thingy?
Almond tower ring cake.
Yeah. Like, I don't know here where...
Also known as kransekake.
Kransekake. I can't seem to find the thingy. This is bothering me. I'm gonna have to play it and see.
Because is it even there?
It should be there. Unless it's been discarded. I remember doing it on Streamu.
I have an idea, but yeah.
Oh, shoot.
You went past it, did you? That's an explosion.
No, but there was the other one beforehand, okay.
I heard some rustles there, yeah.
Yeah.
Was it like a double sound?
Yeah, it was a double sound.
Did we add it into the animation sequence?
Oh, did we do it in the animation sequence? Yes, we must have done it in the animation sequence.
Let's turn up the volume so you can hear it.
That's
and
cool.
thank you for following. Help HDK.
Thank you for the follow.
That was a grunt sound.
Yeah, that was a leaf rustle there. You're
Leaf
right.
rustle and an explosion.
So let's go to the animation where the animation is. That's the intro boar move.
Hello, help. You're supposed to call you help?
Help.
Yes, that's awesome.
There you go. This must be it. Play sound. Yes, wood tree branch move.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't mean to open you. No. Go away. No. Okay, can I rename you?
Wood tree branch move.
16 version 2.
Version 2.
Version 2.
Specifically version 2.
Specifically version 2. Can we remember that, guys? I don't know. You guys have to remind us now. Right, let's just save this. Let's go back to the project and go back
Wood
to the...
tree branch move version 2.
Keep saying that, Krister.
Wood tree branch move version 2. I almost lost it already.
Come on, Krister. Keep going.
Wood tree branch move version. The move feels so wrong.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
Wood tree branch move version 2.
So
how is it going this morning? Ask help.
Tree branch move version 2. Got it.
Help is in high demand, indeed, and we need help. That's how it's going.
Just for no win. You just got here just in time. Help.
Thank you, help.
You helped us to remember.
Quick recap. Yes.
Nick CSS, are you from Denmark? No.
Nick is asking us to do a quick recap.
Oh shoot. Okay.
What we're up to this morning. We're trying to add sound effects into our little story adventure game about little strawberry.
We're trying to remember what our sound effects we've used previously are, so we don't forget that.
Yeah.
And I'll just go and play in there.
Yeah.
Z.
Nick's from he's from Netherlands, and Z's from Ouija land and Norway,
which is just like us.
Yes, just like us, or have a little Welsh lass.
Well, yeah, but
live in Norway. Just saying, these two people need help desperately. Yes.
What?
And good morning, Brit.
Is that why we're making it a strawberry game?
Yeah.
And good morning, Brit.
But I was trying to say that we're working a little strawberry adventure game about Mr. Pips, who's this strawberry who's trying to find his place in life.
He talks way too much for his own good.
Yeah, we're gonna make him talk less. That's one of the conclusions we've come to. He chats a bit too chatty right now.
It's very good. The story is possibly sweet. Let's hope this time developing is fruitful. Oh my god, I love that, Bismarck.
That was cute. Yeah.
You have a notes app, just saying.
A notes app for writing down what we're trying to remember earlier. Nick's, remember Nick's 3 minutes behind.
So, yeah, of course, yes.
Oh, you're from Norway. I'm from Denmark. Yeah, that's awesome.
Hello, help. Send help from Denmark.
Yes, we need help from Denmark.
Is it gonna work now?
Yeah.
It didn't make a sound, but yeah, hello, you ominously looking like no, I'm not gonna look. No, you go away. Yeah, this is back in there. That was scary. You just ran into the. Mr. Pips is a bit slow. He's a bit slow for a strawberry. Somebody make him into jam.
Are you just walking a bit slow?
But no. Yeah, so at least we managed to put this in. We want the output to be effects. Down away. No. Doesn't do anything yet, but we're gonna get it to do something.
But it should probably not play on Awake.
Yeah, that's true. It's supposed to play on when we want it.
On demand.
Yes, we want to play it on demand.
On demand
here. So when the leaves play, it's also gonna play. So we need to get the. I'm being laughed. What?
Nick's at it again. He's thinking ahead here. Stream title. Help arrive just in time.
Not our job.
Because we are uploading these streams to YouTube as well afterwards, like on Monday or something. Yes, and they will always have a stream title. And then, I think that's a pretty good stream title. Help arrive just in time, Nick.
There could be a potty mouth character in this game. That would be funny.
Yeah, that would be funny.
Yep, that would be.
We need to work on the individual characters.
Yeah, we do.
And we concluded we want to offset a lot of the story work because we noticed that it's so much easier to see it in a holistic way afterwards, how the game flows and where there's space and where there's too crammed with stuff. Meine Mama kommt aus Deutschland. Yes, alright. So you have a German mother. That's
Moritz is German.
Yeah, we have a dog.
He's over there.
Yeah.
Moritz, help wants to see you. He's not coming.
And this is Winky, our little chihuahua.
Little chihuahua, but she's Norwegian.
But she's sleepy.
There, up there. Boop. I'd love it if my hand just went through there. It was so cool. Damn it. Right, Krister, there's a situation. We need to get commit.
Where?
Because I need a toilet break. So you gotta do the jingle. Come on. Get commit already.
You know what you gotta do when you gotta get commit. You know what you gotta do when you gotta get commit.
Get commit already.
Okay.
Boop. No worries, Claire. Just edit it in post.
So, people, what have we been doing this morning? We have fixed lighting that we don't know why it was broken. I'm making great commit messages. Oh, hello, Moritz. Oh. Nice to see you here.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. God, you're such a heavy boy, huh? Oh, I'm a heavy boy. How you doing? You want to say hello to the stream? Oh.
I'm gonna hit save on the file first.
Snuggle bear. Yeah. You are such a cool, calm, collective Karen, you know that?
Excellent commit message right there.
You are not. You're so cool and calm and collective. Yeah.
Do you know Visual Studio 2019? That's what I use. I think it's Visual Studio 2019. I don't know. It's Visual Studio something.
I think it's the 2019 version.
About Microsoft Visual. It's the 2019 Community Edition. There we go. Yes, apparently we do. No, we don't really know how to use this program.
Yeah, I was going to go to the toilet, sorry.
Yes, you were. How do you fix it without knowing it was why it was broken? We just saw that something didn't feel right, but I don't know how it went that way. So we started adding things in, and I think I'm not sure if it got worse or better, but something. Big progress. You use the same program that I use. That is awesome. Do you also work with game dev help? Or do you work with programming in general, like C# and stuff? Because we work in Unity game engine ourselves. So, what were we doing? Oh yeah, we were adding sounds in here. A little boar. No, this is the leaf. The leaf explosion. I'm just 10 years. All right, that is cool. It's awesome that you're already programming. That is a great place to start. And good morning, Javasaurus. Nice having you here. How you doing today? Good morning. All right, we got the sound hooked up. We should work in the code, I think. Yes. I lost my flag. We have a flag situation. Rescued it. We're fine. You can stay here. This is leftovers from 17th of May celebration last weekend. So the leaves. Okay, we find the particle system. What if we switch this to a transform, and then we turn the get component on down there, and we also do the same at get component, sound, audio source, play. That will probably work. Then we also need something for the boar sound. But I think that should be hooked up to the animation so we can time it a bit better, not just play it from the beginning. Maybe we need to do that with the other one as well. Let's see. Cutscene intro. Sound. I think we need a function like this maybe. I like how we have so much repeated code. Hello Claire, welcome back.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I had to get rid of like my dog from me.
Alright, was he attached?
He was attached.
And we have redeemed Doggo Cuddles. Well, was that happening earlier or was that now?
Good morning!
No, that was probably just now. I'm up for Doggo Cuddles.
What?
You can catch up with chat.
Dog.
I haven't read from here and down.
Dog, how do you fix it without knowing why it's broken? Dog, knowing. Use the same program that I use. I'm just 10 years. Good morning! Good morning! 10 years means you're breaking toss. Unless if your parents are that with you. Hello, Bird! Hasn't Bird been here for a long time?
Hey.
Or is it just Nick's thing is too slow? Not the best. I coded a quiz, but then it crashed. Now I'm making a new quiz and I'm dead. Anywho, yesterday was our anniversary and now I'm still in bed. Happy anniversary. What type of anniversary?
Whose anniversary is it?
Dr. Javasaurus.
Oh, cool.
Cool that you coded your dad, says Nick. And congrats, Dr. Javasaurus. Transform.find. Shudder.
Yeah.
But what have you been doing, Krista?
What?
Oh, Krista, what have you been up to now?
Okay, so I'll show you what I've been up to. Yeah, sorry we're doing transform.find, but our code is...
I don't know what you've done, actually.
Okay, I'll show you.
Okay. Krista has done stuff.
Because we can just press the undo button.
Yay, undo.
Right, so this was Leaves particle system, but we need to play the sound as well, so I was like, just get the transform, and then we get the component down here, and then add in... So I switched that to the transform, get the particle, then we switch this one to be the audio source so both can play. And then at the end of here, I realized we need to play some boar sound, but that needs to be timed from the animation.
Yes.
So then we do this.
Okay, yeah.
Which is basically just copied from the intro cutscene.
Yes.
And I'm duplicating code. I never learned coding from these people because...
No, we suck. Learn it from the dogs are better.
Yeah. I can teach you good programming practices, but not for my own projects because they,
So, there's a lot we've learned, and we're going to take that onto our next project.
Yeah, for the time being, we're okay with this being cringeworthy.
Yeah. And happy wedding anniversary, Dr. Javasaurus. How many years has it been?
Oh, that's incredible. Mm-hmm. Happy wedding anniversary. That's awesome.
Whilst Winky scratches her ear. Yeah, Winky.
That's a lazy scratch. Look at that lazy scratch. Oh, yeah.
Lazy scratch.
Back to business.
Oh, yeah. It's a lazy scratch.
So, on the board. It's lagging.
Yes, it feels like it's lagging.
Okay, now it's back in business. Why is Blue Charlie in here?
Because Blue Charlie.
What is he? We were considering for him to be eaten. That's why he's here.
When the game is finished, there's some Danish YouTubers I know would like to play the game.
Oh, that's awesome. Please let us know their names, etc. Because I would love to,
get in contact.
Get in touch, yes.
6 years we've been together since 2006.
Ooh.
Nice. We'll be reaching our 5th wedding anniversary this year.
Yeah.
So we've been together since 2011? But 2006, around a long time.
Summer Summit, can you help me teach me JavaScript? Probably not, but the internet can. And there's lots of good resources because I don't think I will be a very good teacher.
You're good, but not JavaScript. I learned myself.
Yeah. That's Robin Samsey. Okay, let's have a look at. We need to open up this animation. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Is it in here?
I think.
Idle boar scare. Yeah, in here, boar scare.
Is it that one?
Because we play here. Yeah, play boar scare.
Yeah.
And if we go on to.
Dog hair on that.
Yeah, here we go. This.
Why does it say it's missing? Oh, it's because that's intro ball move. Go back. Boar scare.
Yes, here. And then we can add some events along there.
So, do you want to do here? Add animation event.
Thank you so much for that link. I'm gonna have a look at it.
We need to make an event though, so we need to make it in here. Which I think was in. Did we have it in the? Do we have it somewhere here? We can add. We have to add in the function here.
Oh, it needs to exist on the same script, does it? Oh, then the line of code I added.
Yeah. Oops, where is it there?
This one needs to exist on a script which is on that thing. Do we have a script which is just that? Maybe we should make a script which is just that.
I don't think we have one already.
Then we need to make a new script which just plays sound.
Okay, let's just have a look if we don't have one. 213k subs.
I'll have a quick look at it. So this is the YouTube channel we're talking about. Well, these people look like fun. So it's like a couple. That's awesome.
Ah, super neat. Robin. Ah, okay. That is neat.
Okay, this is. Are they Danish? Yeah.
Yeah, he said Danish YouTubers.
That's so funny because it feels like you're reading Norwegian for a second, and there's some words like Cool. Location Denmark. That's good. That's impressive.
Yeah, we don't have one, so I'm gonna create an audio one.
Find my way back.
Internet is still a thing? No. Just heard Claire and Krista talk about it. Now the internet isn't the thing. No.
I heard good things about the internet.
The internet's a strange realm, threaded carefully. 1 second you read the news, next you think you're watching people making a game. It's like a warped dimension. But at least people making a game is more exciting than the news, right?
So right.
I mean, so tricky. Yeah, we're gonna make a script there. So, really just gonna make a script for this?
Mm-hmm.
Sure thing.
And that's the second channel. Oh, the second one. Okay.
I'm just gonna create a new.
Let me know if you need my help, Claire.
I'm just gonna create a C# script to go What do you want to call it? Audio?
Play audio.
Play audio is a bit misleading, but yeah, play audio. There you go.
Really?
Go. Nah, joking. I'm just checking we don't have it. No, it looks like we don't have it. MPC audio we have. What's MPC audio do? Oh, that's for something else. We don't want that.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. I'm going to move this one. Do you want me to just do that then?
Yeah.
Oops. Let me just delete these, right?
Delete everything there and just paste that.
That's what I was trying to do. It didn't work out. There you go. Oh no, I don't like when it has 0 references above and I keep thinking it's an extra line and it's not an extra line. It's like, it's dangerous, you go alone, take this. Is that a person?
No, it says thanks for the sword. It's not sausages.
It looks like 2 sausages.
Maybe it is 2 sausages.
It's a pepperoni sword!
Exactly.
Okay.
That explains everything.
We need to update that once I reach level 3.
Yep, we need to work on that.
Do we need to have any audio things here? No, I think it's all fine here. You happy with that?
Yeah, that's all we need. I mean, it would be nice maybe customizing that volume thing, which is at 0.8.
Yep.
So this serializes volume. Float volume.
Yeah, let me just... Oh, come on. Today is not my day.
Hold.
Oh my god! Okay, let's try it again.
It's the Alt button.
It's the Alt button. It's a different one on my one. There you go.
The challenge is Claire's keyboard's Alt is this way and mine is the other way. So we flip our Alt and Windows keys. So yeah, it's confusing switching keyboard between us. And thank you for following 21 Skyny.
Thank you for the follow.
Awesome.
Yeah, so float and then we'll just put the audio.
Go with volume.
Audio volume, yeah. I just want to put audio volume.
Okay.
I like creating long-winded stuff.
Equals to 1 by default.
What? I don't want to put a default 1.
And it's a volume multiplier, by the way. It's not directly volume.
Okay, I'll call fine, okay. Volume multiplier.
Yeah, there we go. Then
we'll just put it here. There you go.
Cow Mega Man. I'm picturing Kung Pao now. Oh yeah, Kung Pao. That would be really good. I want to make a cute platform with a Cow Mega Man type of deal and name it Other Siege.
Okay.
What on earth? You are correct, but with laser attacks. Wow, that's crazy.
Laser attacks.
Yeah.
So we go back to the animation.
And Z wants a Snuti sword emoji. I'm not seeing how that's quite fitting in.
Mr. Pips will hold it. The sword? No. Okay.
You'll find it in the lake.
Why am I still not getting any function here?
You need to add it to the same component.
Oh shoot. Okay.
On the board.
It's on the board.
Add.
There you go. Audio. Play audio.
Mm-hmm.
Do we also want to add the audio as well?
You need to add an audio source, I think.
Audio source.
Just leave it like that.
Do you want to have a piggy? Piggy?
You hook up that later.
Oh, okay. But then I should probably make sure I put it there. Oh. Ah, no, go away.
And you can turn the play on awake off and make it
an effect. Play on awake.
And stereo.
3D space.
3D space, yeah. There we go. And thank you for following, David Gutter.
Thank you for the follow.
Shooting lasers from the others. I get it now. Yeah.
Don't shoot.
Definitely Kung Pao quality right there.
Okay, now let's do this. There you go. Play sound. There you go. Right, so which one do we want? Which piggy do we want? Pig sniff deep.
Definitely the deep one.
Just gonna roll with it and see if
maybe you can double click it and we can listen to it.
Do we want that or do we want more of a like yeah?
Don't know if it was. Try one of the other ones. That was too
sniff.
Too sniff. And Morris is on the loose. Definitely deep.
Definitely the deep.
Yeah.
We do have others as well. From our audio library thing.
You want to look through them?
Well, I can see because I'm not quite satisfied.
Okay.
So let me just try and get around to it wherever it is.
And David says, hello, I'm doing level design right now. That is really cool.
That's awesome. What game are you making?
What type of level design and game dev are you doing yourself?
I'm in the wrong area. No? There you go. Paid assets. Audio.
Bring it on the screen.
Impersonations.
Is that one we use?
That was one we used. Just going to P. P for piggy.
P for piggy.
Let's just get the P for piggies. Oh, we've got a lot of ones here. Not pigeon. Let's just
Play with VLC?
play with VLC. I can see it.
And then we start listening to pig sound. I think one of the screens would be fitting.
Nah.
Would be scary.
No.
This pig is having a hard time. Nick is suggesting we can tune in Audacity to what we want. That's a good point. We can combine a few of them together with the squeal and everything.
That's true.
Oh, there's deep sniffs, yeah.
Do we have more of a scream than a squeal though? That sounds like a squeaking door.
I'm not sure if it's like a zombie pig or... That's scary. That's scary.
Yeah, well, yeah. We'll just leave the sniff for a time being.
After all that, did you need some ointment? I like those puns, man.
It's an small RPG game for my father's book. Oh, super neat. Oh, it sounds cute.
Such a refined speech I'm hearing. Who's the refined speech? Us or?
The piggy.
The pig, alright.
Piggy.
What on earth is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you for subscribing, Javasaurus.
No.
Yeah, oh,
he's gifted. Point
Alright.
Separator gifted.
I'm so sorry. Well, yes.
Thank you, Point Separator, for gifting a tier 1 sub to Dr. Javasaurus.
That's awesome.
They've given 4 gift subs in this channel already. Oh, Point Separator, you're so generous. Thank you so much. Someone help that pig. It sounded like it's in pain.
Yeah.
We need help.
And it's nice to see you here, Point Separator. Hope you're having a nice time and enjoying yourself.
I'm just gonna speed run this. Come on, there you go.
You're going down to the pig now, are you?
I'm going down to the piggy wiggy. Hear what's happening.
Gonna hear them real time?
Yeah, just not with a car going past at the same time.
That was very quiet.
Was that even anything?
Nope.
I didn't hear anything.
My first sub request, please help that pig. Yeah.
I think maybe
we're gonna do our best to help this pig.
Yes, we are. I think. Are we? Because I don't really. Where do we put the? Where is it now? Is it this one? Yeah, here. Maybe we should put it like 3.
No, I don't think it was the volume. Wasn't the problem. We had the volume turned well loud.
Okay.
But
maybe it wasn't playing.
But there was also a problem with the leaf sound. So if you go onto the leaves, they also have. And thank you for following Josh Brove TV.
Thank you for
Josh
the follow.
Bot.
Josh Bot TV 13.
Yeah, that one.
Gonna get angry pet on the stream soon. But thankfully, no animals or bears were harmed in this making of the game, so it's a good ride.
What are you guys up to? We are trying to make a game about a little strawberry who's trying to find his place in his life.
We're trying to add a boar in right now, so...
It's a little adventure game where you walk around in the forest and meet some colorful characters, and you can do flips and stuff. Do some rafting.
He doesn't have his lighting adjusted.
And yeah, things are not quite working.
Oh, is my jam jar in here? My horrible jam jar that I made that I wasn't happy with. I have to find my jam jar now. There you go, the jam jar is there and it looks horrible.
And help DK. Hope you enjoy your food and have a nice time. Thank you for dropping by. And thank you for the links, by the way. And that was really nice.
Best pair programming on Twitch. Recap reminder. Have we already done a recap?
Well, remember he's 3 minutes behind.
Oh.
Already going. Yes.
A sunbed there, just waiting for the French room. Well, the thing is that there's a jam jar behind.
The blueberry.
The blueberry. Okay, so it didn't. Yo,
I heard some leaf sound. I heard leaf sound.
I didn't hear anything. We're at 74 volumes, so.
I heard a leaf sound.
Okay, So it's not very loud then, or it's activating too early.
Or it's placed the wrong place in the world or something like that? No, it's not.
It's not. It's placed on the leafy leaves.
Mm.
It's placed on the leafy leaves, you know? But the thing is that where's the trigger area itself? The trigger area is here. Yeah? And the board comes out there. So maybe it's too far away?
It's placed, the leaves are placed on the leaves.
Yeah. I'm talking about the fact that it triggers here.
Yeah.
When Mr. Pips goes through here. And there's where the board is. So,
but if you go to the leaves and play that sound which we have hooked up to it. It's quite quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think I heard that sound.
Maybe I shouldn't put it on effects, but like...
I think it's fine to keep it on effects, but maybe we need to boost this one in Audacity. Make like a second version of it, which is like...
super loud. But can't we also just add on like a thingamajiggy now to make it more volume?
You can't go above 1.
Can you not? Right, well, Audacity it is then. Right, Audacity, where are you today?
And also it's nice that we know that we don't clip the audio as well. Because if you boost above 1,
I think this is already called version 2 as well. That's. Are you sure it's not the cup?
Nick says that we should have a collider on the board because you just jumped through it.
Yeah, I know. I actually had to put collider yesterday on the mushy rooms because they didn't have anything. So Chris is going to note that down in Notion.
Yes, thank you. And hello, Ruby. Just stumbled in. Looks like a cool game. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're going to put that in here.
What if you played on the player but use 3D sound and make it fully left and dampen it?
Well, isn't that what we're already doing?
I think we're already... Well, we're putting it on the leaf.
Yeah.
But it is 3D.
Jumping... No,
the boar.
Add
boar.
collider to boar. Okay.
Noted. I think that'll probably cause problems, like if you hop under it when it comes out. Could make it a box that covers the area if that's...
Yeah, but if you could just add a capsule collider to the board, which just like moves out and it moves back in again.
That's true, yeah.
I think that would be the solution there. And
we got exclamation Discord here. We don't actually have a Discord, but...
We have that one.
We are... Discord.
Game Dev Friends Club.
Which you can join, which is a really, really lovely, nice Discord community by Julia. There's lots of people that share lots of games. It's really cool.
lots of friendly game devs. If it's a capsule collider, I think it could still work for your...
Way under it.
Yes. Yeah. We don't have a command for Discord, unfortunately.
So we just have a manual one. What is the red laser?
That is our trigger area.
That's our trigger area.
Which is invisible when you start the game. Yeah, so that's just visible in the editor. But yeah, we were going to edit this in Audacity.
Yeah, we were. Let me just... Can I edit? No. Okay, go here right on. We'll play raft.
You can right click it up there and then reveal.
No,
I think.
You can't.
Can't you?
No, that's what I thought I'd do, and I was like, it doesn't work.
Strange.
Not very fair.
Krister is a mod there. You can usually find him there. Yes, in the Game Dev Friends Club in the Discord. What about us grumpy, disgruntled game devs? That, we will handle grumpy game devs as well, Beastmaster.
You're not grumpy. There you go. That actually is lower than this one. Have a look at the thingies.
Right.
So...
We can just switch it over to the other one.
Let's switch it over to the other one then. There you go. Let's see if that makes any effect. Also, I find it's like the cup is crap. The cup is crap. This is a cup. It's a Logitech cup, and it's crap.
Well, it's supposed to be.
It's supposed to be crap. Thankfully, we still have our teleporters in our build, which makes it really nice.
Yeah. Oh, Flowerberry! That is so cute. White separator.
I didn't hear it. I do not hear it.
I heard it.
I do not hear it.
It was like some loud low whisper.
Well, I don't hear it, and the volume is at like 86.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna do this, guys.
I don't think that's gonna help.
No, it doesn't help neither. I'm just gonna try.
But take a look at the Flowerberry.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh, that's what happens when you can.
How long overall have you been streaming? We started streaming last summer.
Yeah, last August, I think.
Yeah.
I'm in the wrong area now.
By the way, Snuti is Claire plus Krister plus Winky and Moritz. Yes, thank you, Nick, for introducing us a little bit better. And ask any questions if you got any, guys. And if I haven't introduced properly, you can ask me to introduce properly as well. Do you guys make game logic as well as level design? Yeah, we do pretty much
I don't hear it. I can't hear it.
There must be something else wrong.
I think there's something else wrong.
Maybe the audio mixer isn't set up right. Let's check the audio mixer. Click on there.
Audio mixer, yeah.
They're all on 0, so that's good.
That's all fine. Let's not maximize on play and see what happens. Because it's bothering me. I can't hear it. I'm not that deaf.
Yeah, and it's supposed to be there. Did we maybe put the wrong input? Oh, I have an idea. In the code, we're specifying a volume as well.
It was specified in 1F, so it should be.
Just try a 10 then.
Oh my gosh, that might blow out our ears.
No, but this is serialized. I mean, not talking about this. This is not the leaf rustle. This is the bore sound.
Okay.
And that doesn't change because it's serialized.
Yeah, but that still doesn't help the leaf then.
No, I'm talking about the other piece of code. If you undo that.
Oh, okay. Which other piece of code? In this one?
Yeah. Here. Why says this audio source play? There's no volume. Okay. Sorry.
But maybe there's some. Wait a second. Audio source is there. Mute, bypass effects, priority. No, let's just play and see what happens there. So that should have some form of effect.
Yep. But I also was trying to say, David, we do pretty much everything together. While we haven't designed every single asset in the game, we've been using some free assets we've been getting online here and there, but we've been making assets ourselves a lot in Blender, and we, code and sit and do everything together.
There is stuff happening.
Yeah, and I do hear it.
I don't hear it.
It's like very, very quiet.
I don't hear it.
Okay.
I don't hear it.
I think.
But then maybe what we should be doing is I don't understand why we don't have this one.
Yeah, we can use that one.
On here.
We can try that.
I think that might help us out a bit.
Well, what we could do, Claire.
Yeah.
If you undo that, we can add it back into the animation. And make the sound play from there. So on the bore animation, we can hook up another.
Oh yeah. Okay. Then we can do it from there. Yeah, that might be better. I still don't hear this one, but at least let's just put it there.
Why is the sound so strange?
I don't know.
It was called Tree.
Piggy knows this one. This one, found it. Got it.
Yes,
let's see if that works.
I can hear it. What is happening?
In your defense, I don't hear it either.
Help was saying, I just found my favorite streamers. They're coding stream. Thank you. See, there's mixed opinions here. Yes.
About whether people can hear the audio or not. I'm like, I don't know. Well, I heard that audio.
Yeah, thank you for following.
Thank you. Thank you for the follow.
Misakarono.
I don't hear diddly squat.
I hear the leaf sound.
I think, guys, I'm just going to go on headset temporarily and just see if I can hear this, because it's bothering me.
What if we take this down?
And I'm not exactly that tone deaf, but this is irritating.
Okay, let's plug you up to the Matrix.
How on earth have you managed to ruin this headset? I do not know.
Yeah.
This wasn't this bad. It's bad now.
But it was bad when yeah.
It wasn't that bad.
Watch out though, you're on very loud.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? I know what's going on.
What's going on?
We have forgotten to quit, and it messes with the audio output. The NVIDIA RTX voice.
Okay.
The NVIDIA RTX voice is great, but the software I find kind of buggy yet, and there's no way to stop it to starting on Windows boot, and I forgot to quit it this morning.
That might be it. Okay.
Do you hear it differently now?
Not quite yet, but I'm getting there. Wait a second.
So much for having AI running on your GPU.
No, I still don't hear it. But it might be I need to start it and start it again, maybe? Because the sound of the birds wasn't very good.
I'm going to listen very, very closely. So we only have the sound on the speaker, so it's not echoing for you guys. So now you definitely can't hear it.
Okay, now at least I can hear the birds really loudly. Now I'm satisfied. Okay, let's go here.
I thought I heard something, yeah. And hello.
Yeah, now I hear it. Now it works. Okay, there you go. Now we can put it back on the cup. My apologies.
And hello, Eva.
And there's me thinking I was
so cute, strawberry boy. Yes. Little Mr. Pips is having his cute moment.
Yes.
But it's working then.
Yes, it's working.
But it's working as expected.
Well, we'll play it again, but at least it worked.
How many times we played it now? Been sitting here for like 30 minutes displaying this.
See, now you can at least hear the bird sounds better.
Without noise suppression on them.
Okay, there you go. See?
Yeah. Okay. See? So those sounds were definitely suppressed by noise suppression.
I'm not entirely sure whether this one is needed then.
How do the footsteps trail work? We just have a particle emitter which is on distance, so the more distance you move, then the more it will emit, basically, but only do it when you're grounded. Yep. So the movement script has like grounded and non-grounded.
I like noise suppression now to make it work on the kids.
That's the thing though, it's coming to kids, isn't it? You can just like install an add-on to your children.
Can you?
Yeah, in the future.
In the future. I kind of like the leaves on the animation rather than on the thingy here. I'm going to remove this one. Remove a component.
Then we need to remove the script which triggers that. I was controlling some errors.
Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Just go back into here, go into here, and do these here. And then we'll go on to save, and go here, and just say...
Delete that.
That was all?
That's
all. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, I've been missing.
Do you have any tips for game dev? My tips is, are you learning game dev? Is that what you're asking for? Then I think there's some really good courses on Udemy.
Yes.
Especially game dev TV ones.
They're really, really good.
And let's just, I'm going to link it. Here is Game Dev TV.
Am I missing anything here? You should make tweaking on colors and add lights for better visuals. Yeah, we already have tweaked quite a lot of the lighting and everything, and we've been tweaking it a bit today.
We're gonna keep tweaking it because we're not happy.
We're not happy with that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But we gotta leave it at one point.
Yes. But this is supposed to be our autumn horrible area. Did you just crash Unity?
Is this saving?
No, it's just saving.
Or compiling.
So, and also as well as that our toon shader isn't reflecting the lighting, which is really Krista.
Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there.
I only have the right earphone in and I can't hear sound, so it's
spatial. Oh yeah, left and right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if we have stereo. We probably do have stereo.
I think we have stereo, but we do just have it from one cup here, so
that's mono.
That's mono.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that might be why.
Can Unity crash? Yes, certainly Unity can crash.
Unity can crash.
Plenty.
The red things, they're triggers. So this is for the trigger to start off that entire evil thing, and then this is talking and whatnot. So it's just easy for us to see what happens.
Yes.
So yeah, I wasn't quite happy with the boar sound, but I think we have to make a boar sound in probably Dusty. I think the combination of different things. I think. But it was better now. Just gonna.
You want to see it again?
Yes, I just think I'm going to maximize you on play you. Just make this bigger and maximize on play. Oops, no. There you go.
Let's hear it for the boar.
Let's hear it for the boar. There you go. Here. Looks so horrible.
Too many birds here, maybe. I mean, we're going to put rain sounds in here.
We're going to put rain sounds.
It's a bit too quiet.
Okay. So we put it on the multiplier then?
Yeah, we can probably use the multiplier.
But I didn't see the serialized field part of it.
It's on the component, or like on the game object, which has animation.
Oh, yeah, it's on here. Sorry, my bad. Here.
Just try to put it to 5 and see if it has an effect.
See if it has an effect.
You know?
Spatial, spatial.
I don't know what spatial means, like that, or... So, yeah, okay.
On that on-trigger enter script, how do you have that option to change it via the editor alone?
Because you can serialize the field, so you can decide what you hook up to it.
This one?
Yeah, so we have on-trigger enter, and just hook up different scripts to be called from that. That's just a simple on-trigger script we wrote to do that. But you also have them in the standard Unity game object, something, or what do you call it again? I don't remember.
Yeah, spatial blend is a 3D.
And we just don't know pronouncing it correctly. Spatial
Spatial
blend.
Probably I read it wrong. Spatial blend, yeah.
Yes.
Relating to space around you.
Yes, alright. Yes. Just not very good with audio terms.
We're not experts. Not experts. Well, game dev is jack of all trades, so.
Trying to figure it out.
Just. I'm not happy about how reflective that material is.
No.
But it does make it look wet though.
Yeah, that's kind of nice, isn't it?
That's kind of nice. Yeah, we need to change that order here. Not having that.
Yeah, too many birds. Too many birds.
It's supposed to be more rainy. Ah! Okay, that scared the bejeebs out of me. I ain't doing that.
That worked. It's okay. Don't be so scared. You okay there?
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm gonna run back again and never come there again. I'm gonna go in here.
Gonna be eaten by a boar. The game looks very nice. How much are you guys planning to price the game? We have not planned that.
No.
Other than that, we are planning to price it.
Yes.
That's as far as we got with it.
Just imagine if the boar was Pingu, Clark.
No, it's not Pingu. Don't worry. It's not
I'm
that.
just gonna cry now, okay? If anybody remembers the evil Pingu episode, you can see it in wintertime. It looks freaky. I can't play winter anymore because this is what it looks like. Unless it's changed now, I don't know.
Nick is coming up with another stream title, special audio, but he liked the other one better. Helps just around.
See, it looks like the freaky Pingu episode. I can't see it, no.
What was the name of that episode again?
I don't know what the name of the episode was again, but it is written on Wikipedia that I was taken off and I don't want. Like everything looks scary.
And by the way, what we're talking about is probably here.
That's the wrong one.
No, that's not the right one. No.
That's not the right one.
No, here it is. Isn't it this one?
Yes, it's that one. Oh my god. You can show it on stream and I'll watch.
In order for the sound to be played in world space, the relative to your position audio source has to be mono because the stereo is handled by where the relation is to the source. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I never thought about that the input audio should be also mono because the stereo comes from the game engine. That's a good point.
I thought you just made a sound effect then, but it's just that. I'm gonna go for
you can use this for sound effects making. It'll sound like leaf rustle.
You already got leaf rustle. Subsurface scattering would be nice on the strawberry. There are some shaders that can do it easily.
Yeah.
We're using our own custom tune shader.
And it looks really good in summertime, but I haven't made it look good in wintertime.
Because we just changed lighting today, that's why.
Yeah, and it doesn't look quite right there neither, but it looked good.
It looks better.
Previously.
Yeah.
We're working on it.
Changes. So we had this. There you go. Better lighting now.
I'm in love with that berry boy. Sorry that I'm so far behind on that chat. Can I buy the game using Bitcoin? I don't think so, because we're going to sell it on itch.io, and I think they don't support that. But maybe they do in the future.
Who knows?
You know?
Couldn't you be able to play it via the player's emitter and just use 3D sound for direction? It would be... Well, you can do it? I didn't get that.
I think you're talking about the spatial sound, and that is working fine now with putting it on the game object like we did.
Yes. It just happened to be RTX voice. Nothing with stuff. Just need to do it in Mr. Pips' voice.
As the voice appears.
Now I need to...
Yeah, well, I guess that's what it's mean.
That's what you're talking about, yeah. The way your hair is hanging over the paper crown, starting to look like a rock star, Krister.
I know.
Yeah, this is the Corona haircut.
It's happening.
I should eat now. You should eat. It's good for sustenance. You need to eat. It's important.
And sorry for keeping you up here. Anyway, if you don't, please hang out with us again. And if you got any links to share.
Oh, hello! What on earth are you guys up to?
That's loud.
Oh yeah, sorry. But they managed to cross raft here. I'm jealous, man. Why can I not? No, I want to go rafting like that. No. They already. No, that's the other one. Just gonna go reversing. I can't reverse very well.
Eva says that she does voice acting. At the moment, we have Claire voice acting all the little berries in the game.
Yes.
I've also been attempting some of it, but it's not been working out so well.
Well, you did do a few Wii's.
Yes, I did try that. Maybe I'll do the big ones.
You do the big ones. There you go. I want to just keep jumping. Yay, itch. Yeah. You must be hungry now. I've been trying to eat for 30 minutes. The stream is just too good. Blueberry boy. Yes. He's Blueberry. I mean, we have lots of weird names for them. What do they have really weird names for them? Gotta go into the characters here. They all have names, but we got Blue Nancy, Blue Flu, Blue Log, Blue Rafter Dude,
Blue Susan,
Blue Jimmy Jr.,
Blue Alex,
Blue Susan, Blue Alex, Blue Q, Blue Edgar,
Blue Bouncer, and Blue Q.
Blue Q. No talking now.
Yeah.
The water looks too wet.
Do we always have complaints?
If water wasn't wet, what would water be then?
Yeah.
When the blueberries get kicked off their leaves, they should be like, yeah, we actually have noted down that we're going to do that.
It's in our list of things to do. That we need to add some
sound effects for when...
it's right here, I think.
We sound when the blueberries get thrown off the raft.
Where is it?
Up there. Right there.
Right there it is. Yes.
Melted.
It's in the works.
Just hate it when your water is too wet. Yes, having water that's too wet is troublesome. It is very troublesome.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like your water wet?
I like my water wet.
That's good. I got hit by a soda yesterday. Luckily, it was a soft drink. This Master Studios is cracking jokes left, right, and centre today.
He's the punmeister.
Oh, when it's too dry, gotta hate it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No good. No good.
No good in the neighborhood. So yeah, we were doing other stuff. No, I don't remember. What did we just do then?
We Should we tick off some tasks?
Yeah, we did the leaf rustle, and I want to adjust the boar sound later.
Boar sound and Rotomstein, I'm ticking that off.
Yeah, but we can't. Is that one leaf rustle?
And this one.
But I kind of feel like maybe
they weren't quite good.
Well, the leaf rustle was good,
but the boar sound wasn't good.
The boar sound wasn't.
Are we going to be designing the boar sound now, or are we doing it another time?
I think we'll do another time.
Okay.
Because I gotta go through all the little screams.
Then it's like a subtask here to improve boar sound.
Why did suddenly the audio disappear again?
I turned the volume down.
Oh, you turned it really low. Okay, that's why.
Because it was so loud when you were rafting. We need to even out our volume throughout the game. So many things to work on when you got game there. It's like trying to match everything up. It's tricky.
No, there's no picnic happening. Just walk past. Just walk past. No, it's not Blueberry Jam. Ah! I'm gonna just jump into you. Whee!
Yeah, that looks weird. That looks very weird.
Yep.
What is that platform that you were just clicking the checkpoints on?
Notion.
Oh, this one. This is Notion. And guess what, guys? Good news. They have just launched a free tier, which is proper.
Yes.
Which has unlimited notes, because usually it was just 1,000.
Yeah, in the past it was only 1,000. So
now you can use it a bit more on the free tier, because we're paying for like Team or something.
Yeah, because we're 2 people and we share workspace, so we pay for that. But now it's free for personal use.
So yeah, I do recommend it because it's very simple but very powerful. And it can do a lot of stuff. Yeah, absolutely. It's just Notion. I'll link it then. Give me a second.
Yeah, everyone can use it. It's just Chris is gonna link it now. Is it that one?
I'm pretty sure that's the right link. I'll double check.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Yes, that's the tool.
Do you guys have any idea how to save player pref values via floats or ints? I've tried and failed, or strings.
We were fighting with that a month ago.
Yeah, we were.
And we had a hard time. We got there in the end.
Wasn't that first
I've forgotten the answer. That's true though.
Yeah.
Like we can dig it out, but I don't remember how we did it. So, but there's lots of good tutorials on it, and I remember Bracky's also done a tutorial on YouTube. I think we used that one.
Yes, I think we did. Yeah,
we use Bracky's for everything.
For pretty much everything. He taught us also about the timeline feature the other day, and we were mind blown, and we literally were crying afterwards.
Oh, that happened.
Yeah.
Oh, that was
Bracky's
bad.
made us cry.
So Bracky made a video in 2017 about how to make cutscenes using timeline.
In 2017,
yeah, and we made all our cutscenes in code. And once we saw how he did it in timeline, we just started crying. Both of us were just like, on our shoulders.
We literally just were like...
This was 2 days ago.
Yeah.
It was a
really
rough realization.
It was. We literally were just like...
Big Brack is our savior. Yes,
Yes.
he is our savior.
Oh, we don't have any rain sounds. Oh my god.
That we should add in. Because it feels very wrong in autumn right now.
Yes. I'm just wondering, is it in here? We have the free T sounds here. Forest birds, first sounds, relaxing waterfall sounds. Isn't that?
Claire?
Yeah.
Me and Nick and a couple other in the Game Their Friends Club, we downloaded the entire game sound library.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah.
Do you want me to show you that sound library?
Yeah, we can.
From the Game Developer GDC.
Does it have good ambience?
Yes, it has like 30-40 gigs of it. No, more than that. Like.
Oh, okay. I don't think you got...
But I can show you where it is.
I just wonder if there's any rain here.
Scroll up. Rain light.
Heavy.
Okay.
I just want to see the rain ones here. And then play with VLC.
That sounds right. That sounds like yesterday.
Yesterday.
That was really nice. It was a very short loop.
Yeah.
And very clean.
That sounds very heavy, I think, maybe.
That's too heavy.
That's too heavy.
Okay, I like that one.
Surface.
Okay, a bit too much surface. No.
No.
I like the medium loop.
I think medium loop. We're going to go medium loop. I need to drag that in then. Okay. Medium loop. Was it 2 or 1? Oh gosh, where is it now? Loop 01.
Yes, Nick was saying Sondrails? Yeah, that's the person on GDC who was publishing lots of different sounds. And I haven't had really time to look at them yet. I just downloaded them. If I understand correctly, I think that was it.
We have an ambience area. Put an ambience there. Okay, there you go. Now, do your stuff, Unity. There you go. Rain, medium loop. There you go. You can do that one again instead. Let's see.
So, we are talking, by the way, about...
My trouble seems so far.
That's so fitting. We were watching yesterday. We watched yesterday about the Beatles, where, you know, the world was existing as if the Beatles never had, and then there was one person who remembered all the songs and then went on and became world famous by recreating all of the Beatles songs. Cool movie. And this is what we're talking about.
Yes. See, I actually just had it that it just went onto the 2D one here.
All right.
And it sounded really loud, and I was like, what? And then I put it onto 3D and it sounded fine. It's here now.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be on 2D, that one. Yeah, but turn the volume down.
Oh, really? Okay, but I thought it was supposed to be on 3D.
No, because this is an omnipresent sound.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I just turn the volume down.
Put it like 0.3 maybe?
0.3, I think.
Have you added it to the ambience? Yeah.
I downloaded but haven't unpacked it yet. Are they any good? We haven't unpacked it neither, so we don't actually know.
I had a quick look.
Chris started a quick look. Okay, I didn't.
I didn't spend enough time to make a conclusion. It was a hot mess to look through. Let's leave it at that.
That's Chris's description.
It was a lot of folders with a lot of credits, and it was hard to know what was good and what was bad. And we're talking about the sound pack we linked up above from Sonis.com GDC audio pack thingy, which has been publishing every year for GDC.
This is a lot better ambience now.
That sounds nice.
Now we just need to add thunder and lightning.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I had. Yes, I was like, I'm going to do thunder and lightning, but I'm like, yeah.
I got a page not found on the link you sent, Josser. That's what I got. No good.
It's bad enough to find what you're looking for in an organized library. Yeah. I know. There's a lot of Russian train station background chatter.
Right, and that's useful.
Oh, in the pack, I thought you were talking about the rain. I was like, okay, Nick, I think the audio is broken on your side, because that definitely isn't that. Yeah. Very, very frightening. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Here we go again.
What? It's amazing. What?
Yeah, Javasaurus, we do agree. You might first be awaiting. And happy birthday or anniversary
not birthday.
Again. Happy, oh, yeah. Congratulations with the anniversary.
Congrats. Let's see, is there any...
No, Bohemian Rhapsody. What is happening? I have no clue what's going on. Oh, we got thunder. We got thunder. We really want to add thunder and lightning to the autumn scene.
Now I'm truly going to crap my pants when I hear this.
She just ran down the stairs saying, I want a job in the lollipop factory. Tasting the lollipops on a conveyor belt. I want to taste it if nothing is wrong with them. Lick me fine, lick me fine.
Okay.
Great ambition, right there.
Yes.
What happened when you clicked the link? It showed a 404 page, I think.
Yeah, it wasn't satisfied.
Are you finding good thunder?
This one wasn't too...
She's uber happy today, that's nice, yeah. That's the dream job
Maybe
right
stay
there.
off the LSD, there was no Russian Oh no.
When I grow up, I want to be a squirrel.
Oh, I wanted to be a squirrel when I was a kid as well. Not did.
Just like us do.
Yeah.
So if we were to add in thunder sounds into the game,
Yeah.
we would have to, figure out the way to time them. And then we would have to write the script which makes the lightning flash.
What?
And yeah, I think that sounds like a lot of work.
Yeah, it does, but it's lightning, Krista.
Yeah.
We'd love adding light. Okay, well at least we'll just stay with the rain for the time being. We'll add that as polish later, Krista.
Okay.
Happy now, Krista?
Yep.
You happy, Krista?
I'm getting memes here. Game dev mem. Thank you for all the game dev memes. We have a whole Discord full of game dev memes.
Love the combos with long delay. I can't say when I grow up anymore. I'm growing up and I wound up with fat and smart. Don't bring yourself down, man. Don't bring yourself down. You can still say when I grow up. Here, it's something. LMAO.
Okay, we're adding in some Polish here. Well, it goes under the Polish category.
It goes into the Polish category.
Thunder and lightning.
With lightning.
Sound effects, lighting effects, right?
Yeah.
But we got it.
And also, you need to write down somewhere up here, which is.
What?
Fix the tune.
Oh yeah.
Tune shader to be affected by lighting. There you go.
Yep. We'll get around to it.
We'll get around to it.
Our game is basically just a list of bugs at the moment.
Basically.
Because we got.
Well, no, but it functions.
We got a full horizontal slice of the game working now from start to finish.
Horizontal slice.
Just with
you have
lots
to explain
of bugs.
the horizontal slice because people might not know what.
If you're not familiar with horizontal slice, it means you can play it from start to finish. A vertical slice is like a complete game, but you only have one level instead of all the levels.
Did we say thank you to the follow for ideas at random?
No, I don't think so. And thank you for the follow.
That was 22 minutes ago, but I don't remember that name. So.
Yeah, that's 22 minutes ago. I didn't see it.
Polish category. Missing. Nails. Nails?
You want to polish nails.
What? No! There's no nails in the game!
Horizontal slice, entire pizza. Prove me wrong.
Now I'm hungry again. Oh, Z, you need to have breakfast. Okay, breakfast time. Be right back.
Yeah.
Well, I'm also starting to get hungry, so we need to start wrapping up the stream as well, because I'm hungry.
Well, we added some sounds to the game.
Added some sound to the game. Did we?
It's been a bit of a wishy-washy stream, hasn't it? She agrees.
Yes.
Has it been enough doggo cuddles?
Mickey. Yeah, it's 10 a.m, but we're still hungry. What are you doing, Mickey? You're still in here.
We need doggo cuddles for concentration. Yeah, it's a slow little chi.
Enjoy, Z. Enjoy your breakfast. You gotta tell us what you're eating now when you come back.
He's having croissants.
Oh, hello, my little Winky.
Brunch time, I suppose. But it's only 10 a.m. Yeah, well, that's...
Yeah, I know, but we get hungry.
Have you heard about breakfast, second breakfast, 11 C's?
11 C's is important. It's
yes.
important. You cannot live without 11 C's. It's a little dead trees places.
Are we going to do one last task before we wrap up?
Oh, what last task are we going to do then?
I don't know. Just try to pick something simple. Is there anything simple in game dev? Like, add a sound in, it's so hard. Like, there's so many factors. Like, you need to get the volume right, the spacing right, timing right. Yeah, I see a lot of tasks.
Boost.
I'll switch to laptop screen.
There you go. Let's sort of boost. Because we were talking about it yesterday.
Okay.
We
can add a collider to the board. We can fix this bug.
Are they bacon wrapped croissants? What? Add collider to the board. Yes. With cheese stuff in. Ooh, go ahead and cuddle. So question, where did you learn to make 3D models?
I studied 3D animation actually.
Yep.
But
I had to do it in my multimedia course for 1 year. Designing my entire building.
But we learned Blender afterwards because we were using Maya back then. That was like back in 2012. And then I had some years where I wasn't doing it. And then I felt like I was picking it up again from scratch in a way.
Yes.
And but now we're back to making models and stuff. But Blender is a great place to start. And there's lots of good resources on how to use Blender.
Blender's a lot better than it used to be.
It's changed a lot.
I used to remember it was not very... Yes.
We have a bit of a hair situation.
You know what? I'll get rid of your leaf rustle. And then we can put it on Mike. There you go, Mike!
Mr. Mike.
He's all festive now.
He can be festive.
He can be festive. It's like, look at Dad, festive Mike. I just ate breakfast. That's awesome, you managed to eat help. I laughed so much this stream. Oh, I think you need.
That is good.
I'd love to, at some point, I learned Blender, but there's a bazillion key shortcuts.
Well,
true. I think everything has
But
that.
one thing I really like about the new Blender is that you can just hit space, which is the search one, and then you don't need to know all the key shortcuts, because you can then just write the name of the different things you want.
Yeah.
And then learn the shortcuts later. So, yeah. Hello, Winky.
You should use the channel point system to have sound effects, some of the fan favorites redeemable, like whee!
Yes.
Can you do that?
We can.
I didn't know you could do that.
We just haven't had enough time setting up a stream more.
Oh, I know, I didn't know that, so that's why it hasn't been done. I apologise, but yes.
It's a good suggestion. You okay there, Winky?
No, you smelly baby.
Oh, you're such a good little chipper little chi. We've been waking you up too much this morning? Yes. Or I stick with pixel art since I'm good with that instead.
Yeah.
Or that, yeah. It's fun also to do 3D every now and again. We suck at pixel art though. Right.
But we did actually buy a sprite.
Yes, we
did.
2
days ago. Because it's discounted on Humble Bundle, and I wanted to just support a sprite as well because it's really cool software. And in the future, maybe do a game jam, and if we want to do it in pixel art, it'd be nice to have the software for it. So yeah, a sprite is available on Humble right now. How much? Well,
I think it was €15. But I mean, obviously we're on the European one, so.
Humble Bundle. I'm one hand down.
I'm using Pixel Edit.
Let's have a look.
Has since 2016. I've heard that Asprite, whatever it's called, is really good. So that's why we're like, ooh, it's interesting. I've got to go now. Had a blast today. Have fun, everybody. Till next time. Thank you for joining us so much, Bizmaster. It's been really, really nice to have your puns with us as well.
You're fantastic. You've really been hitting it off today. It's been so much fun. Thank you so much. Yeah, so yeah, it's a discount 25% off at the moment for the spring sale.
Yes.
It wasn't half price. And the sale is for another 9 days. So now we know. Are we adding a collider?
Yes, I'm a collider. I just was going to go into the
where the mesh is. Oi.
Oh, yeah, what am I doing? Isn't it P?
No, not on this one.
Oh.
Just expand it.
Yeah, but I want to go into the prefab.
Why?
Oh, okay, fine. It's just because it's hard for me to put that here.
It's not prefabbed. He's like a weirdo.
Oh, he's a weirdo.
A weird prefab, which is not really a prefab.
Let's just put him in the...
How much was it? It's €14.
€14, I think.
So yeah.
But I don't know if it's different in Britain. They might have the pounds. There,
well, sure. Nick is using euros, isn't he?
Well, Nick is using euros, yeah.
So, yeah.
I got Pixel for free because someone on Twitch got really upset with me that I kept making my sprites in MS Paint. And they were looking good. MS Paint is still good though.
Yeah. And if anybody wants the link, I'll just paste the A-Sprite link in the chat. If I could. I'm failing at it.
Oh my god. That's the capsule collider. Didn't we do it yesterday where we changed it? Yeah, it was that one.
Why is that not working? I can't paste. Okay. I can't paste it in the chat.
Has somebody banned us?
Somebody's banned us. I can't actually. I can type in. I don't know. Doesn't matter.
Knows? I'm adding in the capsule thingy, but it's a bit hard because I don't see because.
Just reduce the radius.
I'm working on that, but the thing is that Oh no, I can't do it on that. Whilst this, I've got to do this. Like that. There you go.
Yes.
It's really hard.
That looks a bit messy, doesn't it?
I know.
But it works. That will do the trick though. Because we just want like a ish collision around him.
Yeah, I can see now. It's really hard to do it because I can't. If I change those ones, I don't actually see what's happening. So I need to take them out, which is why I wanted to do them in prefab. But there's no prefab, so you know. Technical term, weirdo.
Usually it's my wife using all the euros. Jump into him. Oh, it's way too big.
That's way too big.
Did we place it behind him? Check it in 3D space. I like that we're checking something. Go from below, maybe? Yes.
Oh, okay, he's too far out there, that's why.
Yeah.
I'm just like...
3D space is complicated.
Can I move it?
You can center it by putting 000 in the there. Right?
There you go. But then I want to move him a bit more to the left.
Then just move it on the Z axis, I guess.
Yeah, but is it...
No, not that axis apparently.
Not that axis.
This axis, yeah. Such precision.
There you go.
Okay.
That's good.
We got it.
I think we got it. Usually it's my wife using all the euros.
That's from earlier.
Oh, sorry. I'm a bit slow, okay? I need my fish and crisp.
Nick, you need to be better at spending the money in the house as well. Share the burden.
There you go.
That works.
Ish. I mean, you can still go into his snout though.
It's a bit weird though. He's supposed to just be a scary element, like not really supposed to investigate him that thoroughly as we're doing now.
Is that better?
Well, he's not scary. He's cute. I think that depends on the player and how they're experiencing the scene.
They're sharing the burden. Nick makes the money while the wife consumes it.
Yeah, that's one way to put it.
Minky, do you pay in dog treats or do you just, consume the money?
She pays in cuddles.
She pays in cuddles. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm supposed to run through.
Yeah, you got stuck in a tree.
What?
Yeah, that's working.
There you go.
I'm
happy
happy
with his tusk, but I'm
okay with that.
Yeah, it's fine.
At least can't jump through his head like last time.
Oh, we couldn't.
Okay, are we good then?
I think we're good.
We can tick this task off.
I think we tick this task off.
Let's see. Add collider to bore. Check. Yeah. Has anybody else experienced this, that when you make a save file in the Unity editor and you save and then you make a build, your save file will be carried over into the build of the game?
Because we got that.
So that's happening to us. Yeah, dog cam is a bit empty.
Yeah, the dog cam is...
It's moved up here.
It's moved up here to like face cam, wherever it is. Dog cam,
yeah.
Hello.
It's a really strange thing, but I guess like the save file just ends up somewhere that it goes into the build. You're committing your work. That's good.
There you go. Not into the rest.
Oh, you're so efficient. You actually split it.
I know, I do.
I just did a massive commit earlier with like everything. Depends on how you're saving. Yeah, I guess we saved out in like the simplest way possible.
Probably.
I think we used the default like directory you're supposed to save in, which is like specified by the game engine. But I guess it's called so you can have default, I guess. So that's why it carries
player
up.
prefs?
I don't remember if it was player prefs or not. We can look at our script though and find out.
Can do. What is committing and what does it mean to connect it to Discord notifications? I don't know about the Discord notifications, but committing is when you
using Git, which is version control, which is basically an advanced type of backup, which has like the steps and says who did what during the process, and it's also very easy to revert and do different things. So it's certainly something to look into.
You should definitely do it if you're doing game dev.
It's a very good way to find out how things have been progressing for you over time.
Where is the player prefs? Is it in the?
It must be something called saving.
It's something called save, yeah. Save game.
Yes. So we are saving in the persistent data path / game save.
This one.
And I guess it's because it's the persistent data path. It stays between. There's probably another data path which is temporary.
They're attached to your OS user, so it's not actually following the build, but the build is open. Okay.
That makes a lot more sense then. So it's in the app data.
Oh, so then it's just fetching that one. Yeah, okay, that makes a lot of sense.
Okay, thank you for the explanation.
So basically, we just need to clear that file if we wanted to.
That is cool though.
I didn't know that. That makes a lot of sense though.
Yeah. Thank you for
search up how to set up first result is Zoom meeting.
What are we talking?
I don't get it. How to set up first result is Zoom meeting.
Are we talking about gets and commits? I don't know.
Crap, now I'm hungry and it's only 10:15. Well, you can have a little, nice, maybe some yogurt.
Some nibbles.
Some nibbles.
Yeah. We're going to have some nibbles.
Yeah, we're going to have fish and crisp.
Fish and chip?
Fish and crisp. No, fish and crisp.
Crisps, like?
Yeah, as
potato
in
good.
Findus.
Alright.
Findus.
Not that type of crisps.
No. No Zoom Corona online school, ?
Nope. Not that I'm aware of, because we work right here.
We work here.
No.
So. Leftover pizza. Oh yeah, that's also a win.
That's absolutely a win. Yeah.
Like the only thing I know about coding it is that
there are
if
and else.
If and else, yeah.
Well, that's a good place to start though, because that's the base for a lot of the logic.
Yes.
It goes a little bit deeper than that.
Yeah.
But help, and also everyone else who's here today, we're happy to share your links. You're welcome to, if you're on Twitter or you do streaming on Twitch, etc.
Yes.
Then welcome to drop those in the chat, and we will check you out because I would like to get to know you better.
No, I mean all the teachers are searching how to set up a Zoom meeting, and if you search how to set up top result autofilled Zoom meeting.
All right, that makes a lot of sense. We obviously have not been experiencing that ourselves.
There you go.
And you're also welcome to join the Discord if you want to have a chat there.
That one awesome channel, that thing.
Yes.
You're giving us lots of ideas for bot commands. Should do that. That one awesome channel. What would be defined as that one awesome channel?
It would be us.
Our YouTube channel?
Our YouTube.
Our YouTube channel or just
which we're going to start posting on again soon.
Yes, we are. We will do soon. A channel I like.
Yeah, which means our YouTube, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so what are we doing? We're going on Face. We're going on Face. What does soon do? No, we don't want that one.
You don't want that.
Where's the roll the credits? I love the roll credits. And it goes over Krista and I'm like, woohoo!
And thank you so much, guys, for everyone who's followed us today and subscribed. Z and Javasaurus. And Point Separator, thank you so much for gifting. And let's have a look at...
and Peak says, thanks for the stream.
Yes. Let's see what's going on in science and technology today, shall we?
Oh yeah, we're going to do Radu.
So, if we go over here... Whoa, we're on
Thank you for joining us, Josh Arbot TV. And thanks for linking all of your stuff.
Yes.
Any recommendations, guys?
Yes,
because we're apparently on the top. No, we're not on the top.
Oh,
that's just because they're recommended for us.
Go Pirate Software. Programming. Merchbound. We need some game dev.
Need game dev camera. Thank you for the streams, Z. See you next week. Thanks for today. Thank you so much for joining us, TechBox North and Z and everybody else. You're awesome. And hope you have, if you're leaving right now, then I hope you have a really nice weekend and week ahead.
Let's see here. I don't see much game dev going on.
No. Well, there was the one at the top, near the top.
No, that wasn't game dev.
Wasn't it?
That was just coding.
I thought it was.
There's some teamfight tactics. I don't see why that's a data science. I really don't see any game dev.
Sad that it's over again. Oh, I'm sorry.
We'll be here next Saturday.
We'll be there next Saturday.
And we'll have another productive day.
Lurks on Streamtown, not that. No, that one's game dev down there.
This one. Yeah, that's true. That's true. We could.
That was game dev.
Only game dev I've seen, so we can take a look at this. Needs to be more game dev streaming on Twitch, guys.
I
don't know why I went into full screen. We have some
weird.
advertisement. While advertisement rolls, Claire can have some nice chat.
What, me chat? No. About us, it's 2 people doing it.
Oh, okay. Even better. Are they selling their game? That seems cool. Seems like these guys are being...
I'm having chat apparently. Hello.
Oh, okay. Let's have a look here.
Why is it like that? And
yeah, I don't know what's going on there.
What's going on here? Okay.
This is strange, isn't it?
Is it because you have dark reader on?
I think their video source is this. Or that the video source is not working. Maybe it's too high quality. Let's go down a bit.
No, but also turn off your dark thing, because I noticed my dark mode thingy does weird stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, see?
Really? I've never seen that before.
It does that.
Okay. That seems cool. Right.
We will rate these people today.
We have found our target.
So let's go onto your face, wrapping up. And I think I can click that one.
Yes.
Hope you've all had a lovely time. Wishing you all a very nice and good weekend.
And thank you so much for joining us and helping us with our
victim acquired targeting.
Yes, with our game dev, because it was going pretty poorly at one point.
Yes, it was.
But
just type host and then the name.
Yes. All right, then have a good one.
Yes,
and we'll
thank you all for
around.
joining us and have a really nice weekend.
And we're starting now the raid in 9 seconds.
8, 7. Is Winky still there? Or is she snuggled up to you? Winky says bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.